Abusia abrabo ye bui ni nyina so ye mra ye di so ana mra ye bu so obrabo a wo bui wa wade e usika sem adwumam wapomodin nyina so eye wo bra mra a wo di so ana mra a wo sei a utuna jeje mu we na mede ma akwa aba Adom TV dwumade we ye nkranhyensem ma me na ase e me ya osomfo apostle Nita Kutego wonim me do be kam mra nsem bi a ewo sunsumu a yedi so a ekenya ya redie eni abrabom. The third law of life is a law of expectation. My main counsel said there's no success or failure in life. We get what we program for. We get what we program to get. There's nothing like failure or success. Life gives you what you expect. Abrabo unyani awenda so. Success and failure are verbal propositions and evaluations that follow what you expect. Also, anapa, then when that's so. When that's so, and I tell me about Brabo Ebeko. Obo so anapa, ye, me kukrum, and that's so, when that's so, nebe Kenya. Whether you realize it or not, you program your life outcomes by what you expect to happen. The end that's one, ebem. Bibi mo abrabo mu kwa. Papa mu oboni mu when that's so and ebem. Owade mu. Osikase mu. Abrabo mu. Wadwuma mu. Empo de abe bia no nyina so ye ndaso. Me na so ne se medi nkunim. Me na so ne se meda wodo de akire obiara. Me na so ne se medi nokure na menya nokure so mfaso. Enti meni won so say a ena medi akire eyo. Onipa wenda so ekenya. Part of success is just plain luck. Enkunimdie enyina so efiri obi. But a big part of success depends on your intentions and expectations. Betia ba se bia utibe yie e wa brabom. Nanso so abrabo nyina so titiri na egina utime po ene onda so eso. And I can say it may be that success may depend on some luck, but much to a large extent, success depends on your intentions and your expectations. The clarity of your intention and the strength of your expectations come together to focus your attention and your energy on the results you get. The clarity of your intention. So what dream you edaho fine or and the strength of your expectation. So that's one do. They come together to focus your attention and a Kenyan and your energy to create the results you have in life. So why eboy Susan so free obi wabom paye ane wa free Yankopon but there ne wonsusu ne oni da so. When that's why ye GDA and that's why you beguro. When that's why you nokure and that's why you ntro. When that's why you pepepeyo. When that's why you na wodoso. Ne anda so no e na wotanya. And that's why eduaba. Your energy flows from where your attention goes. Your life energies flows where your energy goes. In other words, your life energy depends on your expectations. When you expect bad, you get bad. When you expect good results, you actually are simulated to create good results. Whatever your expectations, you follow it. And until abrabo ayeboy, mo obi odin kugu a, and that's all. Expect good things in your life. Expect progress. Expect growth. And your life will follow your expectations. Now the money nani yeso. Ne oni nani edimo so. Money na de ebe ko yeso. Na se de tibia no, wa babo ebedi nia wanda so no so. Kura no, ma men kan kira wo se, onipa wodane nia wanda so no so. To make a good dream come true, you must first have a great dream. ansana oda so bebe mu no ejina da so na da so eye nia wani da so ejina so ne de me sere se abribia osode a penda so a ni nyina so eye enkenya ensempa eye nigye eye nkuranhye eye wodo eye kwan papa so na quality bia no ne nda so no bebe mama o no obi a nda kro no so akwai papa da wanda so na bemma o ma menya ha na me fankra enkoma adom tv adwumafo nyara na me ndona ase se o so masene na me dwumadi eba wo nchen dwumadi aka no de akiri tinyi wa fidie ni mfiri ha e badwam dwumadi we na ma me nkira wo se mo nda so enyina yie wo kwampa so no nyame nhyira nda so wo nyame entina
Yamwachi bim samwa kwaba do Badum TV Badwam dwumadi so yada apostle Dr. Nite Kutegwase ni nkwanshen sema ode abred yedu so ne Badwam kase ensam no ne obetie wo mu bi eni eye school placement hu sansemi no ene die pressure no eba form yede bebro na afie kokuma so kasafa yamono ne ho ensensemo no yede beka ho amano no nsem bi ne yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase bra Facebook/Adom TV extra go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTuber search Adom TV2 ne kwa adomonline.com semi eni nsem bebre wo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne de mientie se den nsem ni chemo ankasa etie said the National Resolution Center na esha se ne nipa bob bi wo ho abatan ne wo ma no enura de na eso atia ba form de nanso wono mo o haw ne atete ne kakra wo ye ko ho eni bi ekasai.
But we keep encouraging them, say, all the regions, your regional resolution centers, they should take advantage of that one. And it sounds like district and municipal resolution centers. In the municipalities, I want as a district, I will be an education office now. The concern call her. On the babaha, my eye hujuma. In the here, say, I will be free a long distance because there was a situation. I many lady Bikasa who free Kaswa and our bar. Meanwhile, municipal education officer or exams officer, not in a concerned manner, or the baba directly, Mama Yahujuma.
Wasandi atudwa se womanfo ensema womode atu womo anim no eyade a womo etuso anamon pa eno kan obi na ma enipatom no abafom
numbers na yehu endra no o hwe ne de na ende de na abafom kakra comparatively endra de na numbers no e was from kakra normally no say you take your consent you dey call operation office na you do njuma and is who said numbers no e come no monta hamba it means that it's being worked on. So as and when whatever change they want happen, and there's no need for the person to really come back.
Ekokuma womra shebe fiemu na kase womaye crowd so meyi yamamra wombebo ho ban na fe hihye ahodo ne yamamra ebo foreign affairs ene ho enhihye no ombehwe so ombebo ho ban ombegina waka gina wona so ahwe amayi atumi atoyi ohunu ne se ne policies ahodo bi wo foreign affairs no emu enhede nyina yi enu ti no wo sori waka epeso wo ekon etia nhihye bi a emmoa ema yedin shitaye emunsem eni.
We are also shocked by the Honorable Minister's claim that the Honorable Attorney General advised Cabinet that this agreement does not require parliamentary approval. The Attorney General of the Republic was the Deputy Attorney General when the decision in the Balfour case was delivered by the Supreme Court. He cannot therefore feign ignorance about this case and purport to give a legal opinion which therefore contradicts the decision of the Supreme Court, if indeed he did. The opinion of the United States Attorney General, if it was indeed given, is of no consequence in our country, as both the constitutional provision and the Supreme Court decision are very clear. Indeed, the Supreme Court held in the Balfour case that the distinction in the United States between executive agreements, which does not require the approval of Congress, and treaties, which require such approval, are not applicable in Ghana in the light of the clear constitutional provision in Article 75. The government's conduct in operationalizing the agreement with the United States without parliamentary ratification is a direct constitutional violation of Article 75 and an affront to the authority of the Supreme Court. It is therefore deeply concerning that the government continues to operationalize the agreement with the United States despite these flagrant constitutional breaches. Such conduct reflects a lack of respect for the rule of law, which is one of the fundamental pillars of our constitutional democracy. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, beyond this blatant constitutional breach, the agreement raises pressing concerns of sovereignty, security, and policy. While regional integration remains a core value of our foreign policy, it cannot be stretched to justify the forced deportation of foreign nationals deported from other countries. The ECOWAS Protocol on Free Movement concerns voluntary travel, not forced deportations orchestrated by a non-ECOWAS state. On the international stage, the foreign policy consequences of this agreement are equally alarming. Ghana has, over the years, built a proud reputation for principled diplomacy rooted in non-alignment, regional solidarity, and respect for human rights. The decision to serve as a receiving point for West African deportees against their wishes with emphasis from the United States risks our country being perceived as aligning itself with the United States government's current immigration enforcement regime, one which has been criticized as harsh and discriminatory. To associate Ghana with such policies could have several negative implications for our country, particularly within the African continent. We therefore reiterate our call on the government to suspend with immediate effect the unconstitutional implementation of this agreement.
National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat in the FOA and 9 entity more ding what they ama one personnel ewa among training school will soon Sabay Besha one more day no one who say Jumana Yasha one son and no drink also year one moody or more MA 2 year Cassiano etwaso.
And to officially open this 4-day training program for the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat NIMOS Task Force. For too long, illegal mining has destroyed our rivers, degraded our forests, and threatened food security across the country. We cannot win this fight without a well-prepared and well-trained force.
And wechi ochere se aban ye de betimi bia se be ya wo bebra galamse wo maimu e kamia ye se o my Ghana nsase wo homu chichemu dunsia ena sa kwamboni ni pebenu faso twefo magudie asen ne senti san chechwe e beboa na task force a wo bedi sa adwuma so yi otimi aye wadwuma no eyi
livelihoods and the very future of our environment. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I wish to take this opportunity to sincerely acknowledge and commend the Honorable Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Ofiwa, and his ministry for their leadership and commitment in making this initiative possible. In designing and
Yadwa Kasiano so na General Secretary Matrix Union Congress TUC Joshua Ansa said ne womusu union no airtight Railways Workers Union Ghana echi ewo striker wonso de ebehye so September busumi de to so aduasa ni nyina ye busumi dumienu ya won salary na waketua wonsan kan yi
TUC yanba in railways TUC kra watin we railway for one assassino nti yantina ho madam Ohawi or her young members you to there work home. TUC is made of solidarity. Or there you support one where come be one amdo mo ye you won't feed them or him. Ya prebiara busum de beni ya chro kama ban ya chro ma ministers ye biara de aban bete ensufre up to now aban onte ensufre ya to asra ban de dam press conference ye na wi abre ot yan kape e kon bi aba for the non fado no ntu yan workers no 112 month salary no on for more.
Sampa na si wo Kumasi Adom na ni nyina no eye cylinder apai ama enam sunti nipa nan make say ya doctor fo gira won so den hwe so obeje won mo nkwa ama wo mo imunsam edi
as a explosion sound it made a metal sharp na me fe kira and I'm just say boom and I'm It is asana say obimro and I'm kofa boy is rich. And then mo buy. And he pijama ko beto one they are kind of talk oh yeah, now me no am because imagine the heat now buy I can skin. So skin so no wear shower. What don't sabe kan. Nti Roma muja kra na eso for mu.
Bi musu ye de na ye boy ho say ye be kwa adwuma. Nti de yeti he. Nti yeti ya ne se pai. Ana gas na agi bon. Nti bi mu kra hurufa efumamu esifum nti omo prapra na omo di kodi. Ana de yeti cylinder no ono so no hunam nyina ro. Omo di ni kodi so. Omo ye jollof ne anwamo.
Enkwafukuo bi a na wɔmote efie a emframaja kukuo yi epae wɔ mu bi kyerɛ sɛ
obi die na ogina ha ana no weight no ball no nti wo hwɛ me office glass ni na ba ko apaipai weight no nti ɛyɛ saa no na ama egya ba ha na nkɔfo wɔ so hɔ nti they were trapped until about some 20 minutes until fire service for
Menyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pɛ ye de asie. Omre no wada agenti ye da se. Wada wo maka yenkwan. Da bonkrata no ene agudie mu nsem ena ye de to so amaw. Ye da se. Akwati be mu akwa be.
Afia me so.
Na bia bokɔ de.
Nyame tias na daroma.
Ye de nyame ase.
Ehu ye.
So wa che yenkwan.
Ena ya wada.
Ena ya wada. Ena ya wada. Anti wo chena ene de memenda ne agina mu den.
Wow. Yeah, queen one. Say, no, mistake. Say, me too far boys you walk.
Boys, bay.
We some because so shopping. Me son.
You, nyame ya do ma memenda
shopping, me son.
You don't shopping.
Na ka senya ko po ya do ma memenda so na. Ya ka say nua DJ Awana. Ye pen krabia. Sir. E wo Tema community 2.
Yeah, Agri Park.
Enti ye be start ofo e jamfo said nso eduru ho no mu a memenda no. Muye nyina yenhia ewo Tema community 2 Agri Park na DJ Awana abesom pa no se nipa ye mani pa ni gibi asase so bia already so de DJ Awana yebi
o de nyuma jeje yensa
sa from Adom FM to Oman FM back to Adom FM to Hate FM back to back
Awana Rodonkoso for the
crack and cost to NC.
Nyame adoma memenda ya na ya we efiada na memenda.
Yeah.
Na ye teacher say multimedia na ya
adaje ni eso.
Da me na nso ho nyame ya adoma memenda.
Yes.
Enye easy. Na nso nyina mu.
Ye be
nyame ne ye mboafo nti.
Oh, yes wo fo do so a.
Oye ni nyina.
Nya adade twa ni hwe ni nyina so.
Twe da mumra meta ya chi. Sa da me say me so what fellow form ne de esa obey free bra ne be hwe be dia bro
untua hwe o
untua hwe
yenyi gate fee
bra
yenyi gate fee
ebi
aduane beton aduane wo ho ye beton nsu wo ho eti ne ohia nyina e se wo beto na free fie na waba
sa
be see especially ye man na eye UC mass oba ta wo ba so oba ne nsa fa ne bra woni akora ne kofie a obekire one ma pa osua ne free Daminase. Comme c'est dame, and I UC mass.
It's a calculation.
Yes. Who say UC mass if you so starting a grade 1 now. As I say, now ding, more for anymore. Now do baby on say money in our head now. Who say,
yeah, Busao 125 divided by 125,000.
It's no say, Obia my 2020, and you opian, but Pia. No, because be the trainer card here for. Now, piano, I will say yes.
Agora no é
man. Fabacão, dressing it fine. So, my friend, what shot now for crowd. No more crowd said, you must say, great dome come. Eh, they means the next time they'll see the funny thing. Remember that Bukom Arena.
Yamrantum 8 a.m.
Smack at 8:15. Not me, maybe a piano.
You brother, married to baby, no, Yammy Adoma Memenda. I watch Chinechi. Ya kana memenda I say wachi ochinechi ya asem na ye ken ya da se papa pam so no po de rade ase de fana se da manu na ye onoa we no ka
no o maka taxi
nye taxi driver do sa
akwasi ya me fa crazy
ya me fa ne crazy ya nshase na ye wi na sports no so
atwa so It's why the daybreak. Daybreak. Clarifying the record. Response to Mr. Abwani Edu's commentary on the cocoa syndication reform. It is not about to because just Adom FM between Ora Dr. Brian Champong and Openi Edu, former CEO Edma Cocoa Board. Since it's happened for me, no BRC Cocoa Board syndication who she share no on the buy. Tell no nyanya de keto. E ko modie no course nyina wi echi na Brian Champong sa call them ko twere krata aba wonte say obecheche nsem yi. Ebi aga na fo akye ntie nsem nyina because Adom FM not time nyina ni ho. Nti wa twere krata apa de aba. Unya be kenkan ya wa kyerɛkyerɛ mu nyinaa baabi a ɛhyɛ ase de free yam baabi a bɛsi yɛ ɛne baabi a na ɛkɔ nyinaa no ɛwɔ krataa no emu. Ghana Armed Forces crack down on returnee recruit cash reward for informant enti ɔde CDS Lieutenant General William Ejapong efoni ɛna aba ɛsɛ na Ghana Armed Forces for ɛni abre sɛ nkrofo bi adamu aduabroni ɛhyɛ hwodwumadiem no wo a betumi abo am yɛ tɔm so wrɛ no abaswode ho they say they are feed enchenu a we mwom gold board for 4 million Ghana cedis so that oh ya yenye obi amfa ma no timisere wada enka chem sa afi mu odin afi mu nya den kura windows na biebie windows no afi windows no bia na biebie ni nyina so benya koduro onya adom ehu ba bia nipa bone fo hye unya ku no bope uye de mu ano uhia brochire ko na nya 4 million cedis akwa de wa brochire eti daybreak enonom Daily Democrat. Vice President called for discipline, education, diversity. Eti and some other be so ye kan no. Even a vice president so na no atosu. Ehia tetie pani ye o ye school mu. Tetie pani ye. Na fie nura many bo videos too. Eso on social media. Baako eya brantie yi a ye sie asante ma. Opia bonte ye video se bi keken me mfuma sem kire. Asantema wura ya asantema poto eti se na otwe ye na busuafo akwa ahemfie akopacho
na behwe mpanimfo
ebu kotodwe
asamo na su metimi hu su
kra se ne ba no kra na adwumu ka no
na adwumu
na me ho na de befa because aye ni guase afia obentimi amra ohwe uri fa se wa amra ohwe onya odin ne saa
wei
Mami penu hwe papa penifo na butu
form su
super all because ne bent mi anche no so ye the second one asante ma ye yase abrante mi so kike me kire ma mpo hima pa yeah chire na adwumu chire enura papa social media patch so fa de body jam
patch oh edio
Ding.
Na for na die.
The real social media dey hunu ni usage no. Ya.
Dey ya 10 years. Hey, akwasi bibo no ya papa.
Onya ohwe o. Me nyini se mampa hima kura bi wo hia brante kura da.
Na no sa ma me oba pani wo hia no kura na scan kura untime me no.
Asante kura me sa brante kura da wo hia no kura da.
Wo hia no wo hen.
But social media ya onya
1
megabyte. Eto suniti. Ofi se wa no ga.
Me ehwe yi.
Ana hwe bi odo obusuafo akopie.
Me ehwe yi.
Se wontimi an show money monyam aka omuni kakra no nkuta no.
Me ehwe yi o. Me ehwe yi. Me ehwe yi.
Debi
na so. Awofo ye so ye ka ho. Ye nya careful. Free na ekwe ye ntete wo mo o. Meme enyo mo so omanyini enti na mpanimfo ena se maame ne papa ti ase na ne benya 50 years kura still on monitor it say like baby no a wo no na otie no enno na em say ye na mafo ya wo ya dwen eye free ho asa kura ni nya 18 na ye nim say wanyin no I was see akoso ne monitor sam kura no because omo ye yi too much just say omo ye omo hu mini book mu nyansa omo nim pa na sabi efie die no akachi behave enye how kasa de dimpa me de ya na miem kra hyehye me na kwahwe ma mefo mpanimfo a wo mo de nkata ni mu akata wo ni mu twam krofo wo because of die akwasi
etu trend ye na wonya die
o
so na trend so na odi asante hatem tu na yoga
Hey,
Mushra na udi mampohima atemtu na ayoga.
Mushra
day.
Mushra
Na mu yemabo.
Me dukura na masadi video. Aya atumanimu say trap ani na da ho.
Afede on so pa achew.
Na woni modache.
Na mampohima fa chem yo, manu me hu o. Ese wo bi dwa to na mayefo nyina. Et one kan na ka ye day.
That's all channel point deba. Na ya base ya na Franco Trading Enterprise that yes ya konkwan ya deba. Franco Trading Enterprise. Me patro phone papa fee appliances papa fee Franco Trading Enterprise. Yes. Ya bana anra akopie mu wora EFL Cup mu. I was very interesting results that by akesefo no echiro mbobre wo mu na wani tua se na ekoya na ekoye akesefo no gina mo nine so pa. And so fast now about Port Vale by 2-0. Tottenham Hotspur about Doncaster Rovers by 3-0. And of course Newcastle winning 4-1. And Huddersfield Town, Man City born a come, you know, 1-2 until now. Teams are qualifying here: Gravesend Town, Brentford, Crystal Palace, Swansea City, Brighton, Cardiff City, Fulham, Chelsea, Wycombe Wanderers, Wolves, Wrexham, Liverpool, Man City, Newcastle, Tottenham, Arsenal. To say yes, Premier League for National Live on the and Spanish La Liga Koso and Osasuna and Elche. Then of course there will be Oviedo and Barcelona. And can I say to say yes? Then Sebona Bijnem Quasizibo. Ebesia Cardia Oviedo. Until Eberhesen and some Besia Conal in the Coppa Italia second round and Spezia Parma game near 2-2. And 4-3 on penalties. Na Parma qualified for the next round of the competition. And Las Verona and Venezia 0-0-5 on penalties. Las Verona through to the next stage. Como and neat against Sassuolo, Bonecatmi and Sassuolo and to me and now in the Coppa Italia second round fixtures. And see the BCA questions. The third second round no. I haven't seen to me anymore. Now, you share the next round on a Sunday echo, and of course, General Nempoli, the NSC, if you're not Torino, a piece, if you're near your help one back qualify for the next round. It's a one summer running. Now, Yanko, na Nebasa game, but now on the Ballon d'Or. And I Ousmane Dembele, and I Irini Ballon d'Or. Na be natural madro on the ne bisala me yama and nesen ke to about the man. Barcelona head coach Hansi Flick and na no atomu say Ojidi Sen Kalami ness oje and as Ousmane Dembele ness oje. Hansi Flick on a manager de Barcelona and Ojidi say motivation at the Malami yama heading into the coming years. Now ya can say no yamra fi me head ya koso fi Franco Trading Enterprise ken Franco Trading Enterprise and e fi da o say ya ho fa no say na yakoye no yes so ye hwese kwambia so wo chenachi hana ya we wo chenachi na kwambia so no dame ne baso den tika sha na so sai fam bukum box na arena yina ye hia has of now has a confirm Mr. Seto say after 8 months I'll be pimu twema mentweme come mame makopi South Africa esan bae no omoni na tena se aka se chema oba bae na mfa enti kwani omoni na aton kwanta apai kwame pariado na kasama hatofo.
No fault of Accra House of Folk, and I say it wasn't initiated from us. Also, a player gave reasons that personal reasons, so there you have to respect it. And once there's something like this, that's you are not getting the best. That's something like this happens. What do you have to do? This is football. But this is where we find ourselves. So we only have to make sure that will continue to feel very committed and then continue to give their very best to the progress of the team. The issue here is that the player has made a request. What do? You understand? Citing that a personal reason. So we are pushing him off with his injury. Then it's a concern. This is a club that play a player, taking care of all the medical bills, making sure that the medical team it's always on him, making sure that the right things should.
Wow, so Kwame Pariado Kasama crowd so folk in Samono no and I can say no yen feel nkopi mu nuanam Ashidu Keteke, Nana no Makasavia, Yanko, Metema Kumasa, Sante Kotoko. Now, Omo prepare for the second leg of the CAF Confederation Cup, and Omone Quara United that day Pemso. Operation Senanema AC Airco, and how Omo Fa Kwako Nigeria, Kobo Jumanono. Safuduko, no Kasama, Bobokuno, Edin Chimwamai.
So far, no, they decided to say a 35-man contingent and made up of 20 players, 10 technical staff, medical in a room, and then 5 management members. I can say on Friday, and it's 2 of Ghana, Nigeria, Lagos. From Lagos, no, right, no, Belando, Nafi, the bus at 12 of Lagos, Ako, Abiokita Honoma, venue for the match. You know, on your expected say, in far west time, they are settled fully, and we find out destination. Now, hopefully, Saturday, you have the opportunity to train properly on the pitch. Now Sunday at 4 p.m. Nigerian time and 3 p.m. Ghana time, Martin Abasu. All things being equal, it will say Kotoko. We have what it takes to say. You let me accept Nigeria for even at their own backyard. So Monday in the morning, hopefully, the victory, everything to Ghana.
Wow, so Yenshe said victory, no, Koroko de Beba, and on Inche Sunday at 3 p.m. And Beba so be my so Nigeria. Imboost Herbal Mixture, can one of pay in 7 Airbo. Imboost Herbal Mixture. Yanko na yanko hansen foforo na ebefi kodoko na yakopie mo boxing in 7 MC en kanwe na no na Brantia Bahubala yes modisi from Ernest Akushe kokon boxing we 11 days later ofimwa rehomu na ya rehopa na the National Sports Authority pani dia betudwa say until further notice say boxing bia en hold on because na no obi ewu ya san bebo obi asan ewu dabi hold on, investigate hand. You train him munwe asana boxing bout to be a shebia atumi aba so yan pofo ankrani.
Yaba be piemu ewo choko baby e friend say tea garden. Eha na abranti adidi NS Akushe dodo na no na onim se Bahubali oye Ghanaian boxer eba na kutukumu a na obon homodin yi pa. Encha ye na ete se abranti yi akohia ne kofi kwamu wo ya sare ho semi isi achi no nipa bebre na no na wonwinwi enu nti ne aba be piemu wo na busuafie na mpo ba bia one ne namfofo wo mogro a ye ba ne ababisa won se sen na wosifa sa asemi yi
Bahubali pele noni ma yue ejiake inu ko shishi pote noni woni Bahubali kegbone inu ko shishi pote no bia ne won wo yemi won kwenoni bayanu ke benu wo banale wo han wonu ko sikura do yemi ojogba
yetia abusuafo no ofa yi a omuchemu a abrantie no se de abonten so amanfo e ka se be se ebinum fa ba bi ansa no ni Jacob Dixon e ba ba be kuntokwai ene nam so amawa firimu yaya no nanso omunja amane nka won ba hwehwemu fikofiko na se de be ya on be kura ne chikura na ama bibia koyi no enso so atimi akoso mini nua ma kwakokasa dina ene ni nua ata no akweli
asema mi ka family nua ni mintumi internase se mi nua ni wu won asema meka no mi nua ni kokun ye no ni hu to na ena mi nua no afrimu enti mintumi internase se mini nua na afri ye fun ba kum minim busim meka se meko but we dey mean to be international mi yapa bra mi nwanu uyi ya no kra osiri ade obe no kra e fa ne hu so bi udi obi akun wa be fa ne se yenko didi ye ni wo but Facebook or any Instagram ene be kire enti yentu mi international kra yentinase kra owo na mi nwanu ewu didi mi ya abi atominim eti say ya tom sabaku bra
me de me kan say me nwana ni wo na wa wudie enu de bibia no enso enye ni wo pa de enne de oku ni bia no ma ye hu ni hu fa so obi na eku no enso say enye ni wo pa de na okoda de enne me ni wa sempa aka
be ye mi tun ake keje Monday ye ni wajimi Bahubali Monday lebi ke ba gbeke ni e feel fine jo le cry feel fine ni happy e shian inti shian ni aslale anke o Bahubali mini ya no Bahubali ka ke shi o enye wi we bia ne saka anya ya hospital e ko ni akedui pe amenu shi na ba ya ni anofa ite tan Bahubali ele gbomo ife week enye ife to stroke e mo le ke ni bi o akele ti so mo shi aku eteshi oh beni chon ake ni akake shi ni ji mandi ni efe le tan na ke we hospital ake da bi akele ka ya dan shwe ateshi ni ji so mo shi anu wa kwa ke shi je me hu mini jino ni fi o Bahubali e wa nu kwale hospital en we ya dan
abusuanti wei ne nkomobo a yeboabo ano edi efri Choko Tea Garden ene abusuafie a eno eye Bahubali ene akushi baby abrantie no sebe otie a ohan dan na one nabusua wom soso wom wa sesi a wafiri mu no wom eka bidin ane Evans Kwabena support.
Right, and so I don't know the Koso Bahubali Fie and Busia for no teams are reho. Umupa na me kindly on. So and say boss say and suspend your boxing activities until further notice. Now, ya can say na IT powers association there. Yes, IT powers association boxing. One also promotion on it. You need be kwala na be bobo ni ada. It is all I be there discussion why be bono mo say I suspend. Every day be the boni panifo be kasa no mama na dey ndi abaso.
No be baso.
Where's the National Sport Authority from paying for some suspended activities in
Oh, many of my country, we are quite definitely. I'm fighting there.
Oh, okay, to know only National Sport Authority at Casa.
Many ministers, many director, definitely.
Well, IT power is not chemo, so definitely on the end yes, basso and say, "What's a shenadi dada?" Yes, will be una or no idea. Now I have no baby in here. So, the few urban no idea on some, and so every word now no pay, and very soon we are on at the Bukum Boxing Arena and Pioneer. Now, Abu National or no Jenny Pioneer and kind of none of the channel. I'm gonna need a hawk crab party and the idea. Tiflo Square, China border palm and I need a hawk crab near the Oceania. Yeah, now no computer down my almost tournament of nations. We're gonna warm up to damage Tammy, Abu Nationally.
Na se madame Chuano, Equia, my supreme. Okay. Tell me, play it, but my mama see challenge. Tamasi, Mr. Go back to Minesan Cost, Minesan Chap Martina Swana. Mission match them for playing the brain. I chose two for any day. But go two for the mass, because I sent to my moon, maybe ya papa. Because you are to them, Sikakes and Museda. For them Penifono, a so Edisic room. And Kasabe Mudia, I say Mutumeje. Because more runs will be Macau 15 in the identity, which media. It took a car, 10,000 another budget. My budget, it took a car. It was a problem, cause my relation go. Teach me both your bar. Let me have gonna make it a both year 10,000 years. Cacotua. Would I would 10,000 with 15 million so problem? What you have 15 million to accounting? Because you're about to fear no 15 million so problem. Then I look at you.
Hey, Abu National Nadia, we need and say, now, Waka Creti, the other quarter, E9. It's in our share we on Saturday and near Shasi Bukum Boxing Arena. There will be a with my bedroom or Honomodiano. To win a far con one year. Go say a book creating the another pa. Hey, Bragwasi, I know you can't brother. They don't hatch your hatch because they hatch and as I
oh, Abu National Yard, yeah, Abu Yard, yeah. So far, some because I made great class, yes, Abu. We are there, but all the same, penny the penny. Woman, you know, we are the two more. Okay, I don't have a dream. Yes, Abu Ekasa, yes, coach. Who said what is available and I own comparison? It was sure or more available at the time I know Casana. It no Casa. So what I say, okay. And somewhere Ronaldo Asia as a major Becan, which you may say on Canisa. So what I say, okay. It's a Bunashna, it's a Bunashna, you know. The level, yeah, the level now, or one. the exposure now when you
yeah
and no competitors and some no catch it because we share on pedophobia send an image I said ampaduni efiama kwa academy asemu a so no be come
yes
what is say me mai what is akwatisi e ba obetimi asa so
yeah
for we say anudwa no obro wase kakra se bia se bu na hye bia o kase na kwatisi akwatisi e ba maybe bia kanudwa na kwa kodu sa level so yeah tie ababu ya de yes there's no two ways here o ya de
that's fine Matthias here
yes no two ways here
Franco Trade Enterprise that am say 0246422338 and of course 0555939311 Franco Trade Enterprise number from Imbu Seba Mesha no matter the yare pacho say immune system na immune internet boost to na immune system na timi kuntia yare bia and boost the immune and come and face questions here okay me need the keju wan kasa Eric see anybody afia ne kwasi over to you
Yamu akwa babiem Adom TV Badwam Health Tips na o hwe no na wotwe mu burning sensation na ho nkomo na yedi bra Dr. Dubuaten age adwa e de ye fa sa entity no emu nti ye kan ne yakọ so nom ne ade wuhuru ne ntam a na ne wape ho entam asi na yedi nkomo no bebre yaba bedru na ya we ye ba behwe e ba so na yiwani a ho sunsuaso no etesei fasedama endpoint ninti ene yedi sa enkomoe ene nso dog ankasa eti adwuma o chiri nti nyi free 5 minutes yenche na usu TV dog ya na se
aseda nyame
enti paresthesia ya ye ka ho asem e ba ye nso ye experience bi ni ya ntwiti a ehun sunsuaso no etese
yo meda ase na wotwe nyina ye di nkomo afa paresthesia ho na de ye kan nyina no say ya ho hyehye ya de obi wo ha wo se me ho hyehye me obi wo se bibi ni na me honam duanim obi wo se me ho twetwetwe me obi wo se asa bibi wo me honam duanim obi wo se me honam duanim keka me obi wo se bibi ni na me ho ana asa me honam yam dududu ana asa kyekye me obi wo ha wo se asa de me wo asa de light bi kikiki me honam duanim mu ni nyina no eye ade a ye beka no se paresthesia na wotwe mu nyina no ye di nkomo so afa ho se ye wo no ma ye de sa ade ne ba ye se yade ye fe ne se diabetes arthritis ene lupus etime de ahohyehye yade ye ba obi wo so kra no na eye ne spine problem ene wanya ene so etime de ba obu ana exercise na wonye obu ana ne cholesterol na wosoro ene so etime kofa ade ye fe ne se paresthesia na ahohyehye yade ye e ba besoe enipa de sene na no de ye pese ye di nkomo e fa ho no se menya ahohyehye ni yade ye ni bi anansa me ho ehyehyehye me bibi wo me ho nam duanim me joint ne me joint ye me ya anansa kyekye me ho na me dududu me kwa ase de ye pia matiko no se man twiti a ehun sunsuanso obey ene wo ho ma me sunsuanso wo no bi ni se ebetuma a paralyze wo ebetuma adwojo
wow
na mpe mebre no anso bi wa na yade bi na de sa ade ne ba e bi na ye wo spine ene de sa ade ne ba ene so no wa hu ni ntem a ene so kra so betuma abubu agu fom so hu obi wo so kwa se de kan ne bia na diabetes na de ba wan hwe ya o sugar ne kosoro bebre eno so e wo hu sunsanso kra eno bo hu so obi wa isi atwa da nan ne sa na mani nyina no efiri sa na mani bi eti e hu sunsanso no ene se etime de bibia fense paralyzation na mmom no wa ya wa obe go through no kra no so no e ya na dan sunsanso obo se bedum ne bi na wuntimi nya hwe adwuma kra wuntimi nko wuntimi na na wontimi hyehye saa wontimi na ade ache anything the ordeal another pain ya we go through the excruciating pains ya we go through no is enough
wow
enti ni tofa kran say ebetima dwo
wow
ebetima bubu agu from enti we have say paralyzation ebetima paralyze okra enti eyade a se eba yenhwe adekora ede saa wo hawo no eba beso yen na end point to me particular clinic eyade a yitimi tu saa yade we ase firi okra enti no say oba ye be check ahwe adekora ede saa de ne ba so say a stroke na dey ba stroke kura so timi ko fast ade na ba enti yade e de saa wo hawo ne ba no ye be hwe ne yetimi tu anama end point for your number ni nkomo number ni 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68
yeda Dr. Dubuaten say ochina sabre ya wada masaka ye ho na ye ntoa burning sensation yi eso be me de pa ohun de timi ekofa ba no se bia uyi wani free ho no mu de timi eja wo ochina ye be hwe ni treatment e wo endpoint homeopathic clinic e ho e kina nkwa hoden wo ho a kan ye ho de ntoa so
chechime buofie ba da be ya go na mekedi buofie 10,000 yeska kocho we dey 10,000 with 50 million so we problem we tún 50 million kocho account because you obedu fie no 50 million so we problem then na kocho
hey abu national na dia unwini na say na waka create the koto yi nan yi eti na share bu yi abu nyahwe on Saturday anopa na ya shase obuko boxing arena dia bu bia wait my beju din wo hono mo de no to we na fa ko ho anyahwe ko dem say ne abu calculating there no dey pa hey abrakwasi no you can bro for they don't hatch your hatch because the hatch and as again abu national yard yeah abu yard so far some because me great class yes abu yard but all the same penny the penny obi nyina nyame yard me atete omo a okay anu me aba bedru ba bi omo yes abu e kasa yes ko hwe who say what is available and I on comparison it was share omo ye available at the time anu o kasa na it no kasa ansem so what you say okay and Samuel Ronaldo Asia asamoje on be kan o hia Messi on kan sa so what you say okay it abu national de no the level the level na owo no the exposure na wenya no and no competitors and some no catch it because say wo hia on penephobia say na me gira say ampadu ni efia makwa academy asemu a eso so no be kam yes what is say me mai what is akwati see e ba obetimi asa so for say anudwa no obro ho se kakra se bia se bu na se bia o kase na kwati se akwati sia e ba maybe bia kanudwa na akwa kodu sa level so yeah ababu ya de yes there's no two ways here how ya de that's fine Matthias here there's no two ways here Franco Trading Enterprise that am say 0246422338 and of course 0555939311 Franco Trading Enterprise number no from Imbu Seba Mesha no matter the yare pacho say immune system na immune internet boost to na immune system na timi kuntia yare bia and to boost the immune and come and face questions here okay me need the kejuwa na kasere kase ri body afia ne kwasi over to you nyamenshira
eda sepa e bakoso asre urade sada memenda beba yes na dame na akoso se de anu dwapa na wene de ko bi dikan kasasa o mo bi me prezu nyenyenye toto ne nsa na se me hwede ya o ye ne nsa kura je se wasan Entino nyame adoma yenhia why nate obi mfa obi anyehwe na anu dwa ya mu nka nokre na nipa no onte ne ho ase nipa no odwa mu so ojeje ho me de saa de de unyame ho me na megene di o dwa mu ne Saturday de bed papa oh he zi kurasa number I letter fufuro bi okran kam de ne to ho na unya ampedu ne bona wote ne kwako wote ne aya say o yade I focus out the Yamanian post skills are we in 2001 Abertuna. And you went fast as a man. All right, darling. I have a so. But I na make before you did madam and the idea ever so. Yeah. A mere money. A humachia Juma ye and one. I was say incentive with town. Yes. I want to and cocoa. Enu osa esa motivation bi taro na tumi ahye nipa de how much sorry enye easy say nyame pa da bi ho a when it say na kra na because here ke de as ma me for 5 minutes you come ma me for 5 minutes me who say be my emre Oba me my emre hey esi what da madam anikum amwachi easy jadi mara no there any can say that motivation brem that only baby akọ enanimo that only baby akọ when it ke say Saturday I won sorry ntem I want 3:30 no ani only ba won tisi we wo atoso ze bia gwasu be sorry 3:30 no ani ti 2 a sa 2 to 3:30 hono 18 mu hono 18 mu de 18 me say ayi em say Monday no say last week Monday mo me ma no manite say one ho man am de so le begina ha
go rough na but 2:30 there's also 30 minutes be over.
One sorry akuma che say ye
am sorry dey
erade somode ni ebonya me mpaye ye de ye mbeto ho ne abompa ye agu adwuma wura no so say incentives bi mra ho so be ye be hye ni padene
hallelujah amen
enye ize o yahafo
am sorry
se ye ba ne ye sere a before ya be sere wa ha no ya bre ye ko break ba
ye ni yempa
ye ko break pa
akan
enye easy sometimes say ya nkan ya some obi nkan ma so obi ni ya bre ye bi e be tro ayi letter akoto ayi suggestion box
all right
my phone mo yadase na kwasi na
na mo da bokata eso na wo se ende it's a way daily democrat it's ende da Ghana man pani ne bre aso
yes
wo se the last time we address UN General Assembly was 20th September 2016
okay
I think that day was a Tuesday if I'm right and this time we're on 25th of September 2025
and
it's a Thursday
yes Nah, even before then, called Times Square.
Oh yeah, and it was exclusive interview from New York.
Yeah,
and then on the page exclusive interview from New York.
Radinfa Ojata Chairman to Yena Yenu. Yeah. Near Bianum near Kasa, Akuma and Toyem.
Sure.
I'm Penny.
And His Excellency John Dramani. Take stage United Nations General Assembly.
Because even before I never background. So they can share
more side meetings here. It's in there. You make this side meetings. They take out for Ghana from New York to Ghana. And I also the commander the health minister. And so Eddie Kobo.
Now finance and also there anymore how online.com and also can you say Ghana signs third debt restructuring engagements of UK. Over $256 million with UK.
Yeah.
Teacher say, "Womunia grow ho, mumia mumpire, mumia say rade." Na just some on back out to womutri mono, a bay dead. By the time we do Ghana hano, the next day or 2 or week, you know. Near who said near my son. Na boy say bre because he say bre me say see be pocket in mo ensi hwim e si form sentokro dem kure be si e wo say sika bankofo botom e wo say nyuma ekoso e wo say nya pomuden pa e ho nkomo e ne yedi nti na no ye say rade bambo some ampani sori no ogina no okasa e dem nta edin
me say exactly 8:10
sharp
exclusive interview. And we are Ghana time. So that will be around 1:30 or 2
a.m.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is exactly 8:10 a.m. on the PSM exclusive interview from New York.
Okay.
On President Mahama at UNGA. Okay. The Deputy Minister of Transport comment Gapoa for successful rollout of 24-hour port operations. The Ghana Port and Harbour Authority for so a share 24-hour economy no ase. Na semino kasafe na asha se rolling enkakrakra rolling kakrakra tinebedu we be na attacking full stage and deputy minister abo GPH papa no aba so no o soja ni o Ghana Port abo papa pedi no o soja ni abo na baso pass papa ye man policeman no work as bia ya no target no wa make sure say take shape ama Ghana for enya eso emfaso God board donate 2 million Ghana cedis to Mahama Cares. Eti sabi je film so edo mo chefa akobua Mahama Cares e fambo asere be ya non-communicable disease awodo awo man mu no ebetimi aso asne.
Na eno nso nkoda kra no obo bia
dako
ba fefe. Ono so call me say cast.
Okoshia oko kolebu
me say oko
kakra
teaching and regional hospitals so no ne ade na assembly do amunim dada Mahama Cares no but o say ko wo ahye muden na ya hwe niam bi a eni ho entime mu ama pomuden koso no ni nyina so won mo eye mu nyina ye mu ye ho ban o mu ye ho ban so no ye no mo ye no so no mo
ye kidney no ye kidney as a matter of daily graphic and towards na FB of 4 line police smash armed robbery syndicate 10 arrested 3 killed in shootout
and why the bad news
yes notorious or mabokro no power rural banks ache ti daily graphic ama ne bo obo no e ka wa mampanfo abo e wo banks awodro no ene ya chi nipa 10 e wo se krona kese awodro akoso rural banks awodro na sankofo yi enimu
ebi wo
please for statement no
Greater Accra
yes
omu chi bi wo central
yes
ena sunyane
na ignorance one yes
Vice
President tells Education Ministry. Minister unveils plans to boost STEM, higher education. So, Minister for Education, Abra Vice, a coordination star. Okay, say, and in Bible say one day, you benam no sunya first female president of Ghana. So,
yeah,
this is ma. I so say a can an empire one say one day. Nyame be nam Professor Jaina no Pokwajima so. Nienya first female president of Ghana. Si se no na. Also but you know vice president mu a. Ne nsa hwe ko nyina so betimi aboa ama STEM any higher education. Etimi tumpon ewo ye mai emum. Flowing evidence of compliance GTech restores service to UCC no e kan wasem no. The 24 hours of it challenge na wo UCC no. The service bia no say omnimum bia no wa hase a almost I render daily graphic and then we bound to pay.
adomonline.com yekoso aye mamu nyina ache amamu akwa ba bia wo afi na wo afidie no ato hade a enwum no ahase abobo na nkranhyensam so ba na agudie news no ba ye agudie mo nsa America said wodi awie ene yasa ba bejira mu aye de bonkrata no ne adomonline stories no to asinti sane Badwam dwumadi said de yahye no fanti wadaroma enyi free how na de opesa otie wuhunu bia no ye de bro ya kasa twitwie bia nso enimo ye de ma on said de tie nti adomonline.com said de the bonkrata na adika ka bi de na MPP amanyoko no refers petitions against petitions nya petition against Osu Bempa to National Council. That is nyema bia ya twro ede afa Osu Bempa ho no I say MPP for the National Council.
If much say you're in different fields as Deputy National Communication Director.
Because of why?
Come say in same can be one more. It's your part no share.
Okay.
So say National Council no. Some of the four the positions.
Okay.
So some they take a decision on it. Now, or what can say me at the latter part of the letter now. Justin Kodua, General Secretary to Dubai. I said the part to ensure that fairness will run through. Because nani pebi mu keka say NPP ama yoko na feda say omuni penny bia wo party ntia mo bia sorry a wo ye ne ope e ka ne ope so if so mutu ana mo say ya e mane nkonkoye say Osu Bempa ene nenya ne bo enkoye say e ye se bia da ho a say we ne be yo sa sabe fo bia na sanity aba NPP
eni kwa se ye yi mu se ye de aye fi a adwo nso ye fa no so pepepe
so I think
National Council no ye mpanimfo nti no oromo be ye ne san so pepepe na Jimet ana Metufo unza nura nsuo toto ya omo se ye steady na sa ebe kokoko so
no fe
no ni ade no ti anu nti show ho de ne na bre adwuma no hode no ba hwi asesa na so to wo me ho nti excuses nko a me dofo say wa adwuma nti nkasa na be bra sori bre adwuma e ma kwadro no ani hanchew because wo ye salary worker beso mbe betu akenti utimi tum be say yi so boso no wagye kufu umi enya asa na enya obi de yi se be ya ye so ye dia e be ye ya na ru efi se wo usi so de na wo bugabuga de bo adwuma ru on say na obi ye obi omienye careful yenya ne pepepe untumi nya no atwo ho obi wa akire ho no mewuram no untumi nye tie ho asem enso eno no Trump demands UN inquiry over triple sabotage. I go see Trump. I know you kwabna.
There's no my friend bia.
Ya the way jana.
My friend bia. Na friend Trump here.
Yes, mom penny.
We are secretary so.
Eh 70. Oba adomonline.com e wa ha na nya no nko ye se ne statue bi a wa peja ne nsa no yakoyi afiri ho. Eno so eho asem. The Bokrat adomonline.com ediaba. Ye me phone line se nay. Ye so also wo idea. So wo story bi a person oka. 0302 211 701 702 703 704 0302 211 701 702 703 704 Nansa ne be fa yen first call akra na kwasi achimota ne plan ho no yesi adwadifo no what was say omo to ade o traffic mu no say traffic ne chi a ero mu dwaba
sure
enti say yete post for na jeja o na direct say e che kwa na omo yeso omo adwa
wudwa
enti say no kwa kwa say
omudwa
kwesi enko mi wa me na me team traffic ni mu na hye wukum me pese yekọ ono no o to ade
ono oton so no se ehwe no kom sa na you be forced to buy water
but enyo na aba be hye brama ye e wo se ayi posifo ye wo adwuma enti se ate na means bi wo ho metumi ama na flow a e wo se yes because kwesi week mu traffic e wo promo
traffic anodi
na wa bre pa so ya homache apon mre no so na bedu fi almost 9 What so sa na to ase yenye first scholar chief was so chief ano pay ye mo ache mo akwaba
mejimuso mfiam papa
yes
na maybe ne I mean Ghana bi fun diko no no yo mi ji you no ko ye mama ke
okay
mi na ke ne ke program na gi program papa shi
okay
okay ne ke program ni eti ju ke fun because as a government the over ni ona ke ta frache when I tell insurance ni it ba take care of all disease communicable disease ne fe no ye staff we no ke na ka agwo onu oro na ke ma jahila ne fe ke wo national insurance onu to ma benefit no te ba fete mo ba access ne ke program ne ni assessment tell em over use Ghana card no ba fit no mi ni tin to na mama ke mi si ke wo mi na ke tu ke fo na me to na me Ghana bi asika ke wa tukumi agbenu no ma you concern about people that operate for what na ka security system je ni papa ni ale ko pe Ghana bi no ba kwa IGP5
oh you are done
security system
yadase pa chief yadase enchemu no kwasi fama
okay the chief assembly nyina say mama care no ye ade papa but I say yare na ebehwe no ye limited ti de ono pese ka ban entremu ekese
mo fasedama de obo awo kwasi fasedama de obo awo ni
afia nkwaso na ade afia nkwaso ade onipa a wo hwe ye
resi.com yadase papa paso abeje yen kwasi ke ye gira ho na ade ache nti ye fa ben wo so Benjamin na no fa ye mo ache emu akwaba yeah that's it
yo only akwesi mo ye tie
oh na me Adom
me frefre at na ya na na tuma na senim fi kon men na na fa mo ye papa pa senim fi kon mo ho ye banka sa ma chi sanya pro na senim fi kon ma men ka se galam si no senim fi kon ya se yen so in japa di ni bibi e bit in se champagne anything for mo keep you so mo no mo boy na yen to atina bien kam be da ma so nyam yechma
she da say Paul was so Paul no pay ye mo ache.
Hello, Paul.
Hello.
Yeah, Paul.
Yes.
I'm watching you, Papa.
Mandos man.
That's it. I don't mind way.
Oh, man, I drop it.
Paul ka frapa, safre brebi na mwada mamu ba. Yankasa o phone so ni low. TV no volume.
Why?
Antisa ya na ema
gabo. A bit
delay. Yeah, da mo se. Jerry so aba. Jerry no pay ya mo akwaba.
Yeah, any mama. What could you say?
Nyame Adom Jerry. Nyame Adom.
Na mama yefia adena ya na oha. Ye friend say akwesita. E say one or den ho no say o pa for born in the time. O go dife. E jaro man nkwai. Na e da wo twe sign.
Oh, me obi an twe so no na twe no ho sign. Wa san.
Nipa nkoso.
And to be tawaki, that was tawaki.
Medasi.
Okay. But so I said I can't person me can say. I don't pay me about how much sorry.
Yeah.
Now the army because tell me say now na aka passing here. Your friend is saying congestion wo anu so na the bia ho much ni bebu flow na dem say ada mu ye bibia na ada na mo ye mun kan say mu do bia because ya kan ka kra ye den na mo ye ni aka o bi kwa ni bi. If you haven't come home, now did your home up thing. Is my phone my form shop so and I saw my money almost the other room. Almost too much to me. I'm almost now say I'm
Danny was so Danny no pay am watching Wakwaba. Danny low TV no my wadaro mo papa. Sorry. Mo yentio.
Okay. Ma observe bibi kakra wo social media concerning
the recent tension between Loma Hine and Asante Hine and I feel so at the Bagama Jesso. The one monitor be bring attention there, Bano. Yeah, pray answer no.
Okay.
Baby, yo.
Okay.
Me mom dear and come any problem with the issue of Gamma Chani GES for proposal and Koyano.
Okay.
And at least one kind, I say, who's young kind, it adapts to your knowledge.
Yeah.
But I say, and can for no near Santifono so, say, you know, Ghana for, so we should be allowed to study whichever language we are. But, Oko Water regions one, in your sir. I don't know the
Badani, when the Yanyam authorities no. Oh, na he, Ombaka wa, ba hanu de yen to men can be brave. Nti yen hwede yen panifo no omo abaye. Yada se pa so enso ene wadwene. Yada se iman so aba. Iman no pay yam ache mo akwa abaye. Iman kasa wa you know so morning low TV.
Mo ngize.
Ya hu ye pa nyame adom.
Na pai oninfa akonya se na mitia honorable Jefferson Kwame Saki. Former Central Point. Now, and a pen can be participating. There were various schools in various homes. The city said back on here, to see up there for Tintanya, Yediaba, and Buagana for no. But that year, Yediba said the Buagana for. Yediba said the bay, Yediba said they near me Buak, a branch in Mumbai, and the bear, which may be the court, but no woman of you. That's them.
Yeah.
The bear, young regulated. Sanko for ne omukasa kasefin in Sanyamling hours are up there for fine. And you need trigger to be our home. Emma, Papa, and in Panano. It wasn't Panano, every few, don't look bad on the custom at home of parents. I think you're very bad or have you 40 or 94.
Okay.
And a very school to know their school authority to know over 94. But I think everything in here, here, Pamela School. It's your point, the password. This problem is a very, very bad.
Yeah, that's
high. But what you need, they almost if you know the approach, one on the market, who could try to market flash, who be so bad, no, I didn't want to plan and use no, yeah. You need to play careful.
That's it. Yeah, well, I'm a
last caller.
Atana, Kwakwamwako, of pay him watching.
Kwaku?
Hello, Mejoso.
Yeah, that's it. Yantiwa, Papa.
Yo. The Casafi is a Riakagro.
Okay.
And the American is a MPP pending for from national to. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, young Casa phone, so Papa.
Men to TV. Why? Men to
TV.
The American is a MPP pending for one national ABC constituency. No one discipline my party. Nothing you know, especially Usu Bempa, the Casa and Yakura, pending for was for when it's. Omufa omunensi for na omu hwese ombegwama discipline aba party no abo party no
party
yeah that's say kwesi na so fancy radio for su 97.1 ya da mo ase ni obi bia wo je bre ehwe ye no ya mi hira mo papa na nati wa dwaben na awoyi oda ho de onkwaso ni alaji alaji kware o mpe doctor no ai akwasi edu alaji akwasi edu sai
akwasi edu
sa
okay
nyame hyiram pa ti nyame ya doma akwasi memenda
ye chi obuko marina
tinamu den
ye fada beda bedi no
enhyehyɛ ti ye kwai de health tips no ne bre no aso paresthesia hye dog aboa ye week mu na ya watie bia na wontie bi da don't worry ya or ye recap no de na de no so atwa so 5 minutes ye nche wadawo ma hwebi na obu se wu no ho se be ya every day Monday to Friday health tips 5 minutes no obehwebi ye wie pay interviews ahodo bi hyemu na ahose pa ba se medical pensempensemu na ye se bedwam ano no TV ne de ye mpon na you know bedwam de by 9:20-25 de ye
Adom TV ye num no
David
ye num Adom TV
I'm
saying 8:10 exclusive from New York
sharp
on bedwam yeah right here
Yamo akwa babiem Adom TV Badwam health tips na o hye no na wotwe mu burning sensation na ho nkomo na ye di bra Dr. Dubuaten age adwa e de ye fa sa entity no emu nti ye kan ne yakọ so no ne ade wuhuru ne ntam a na ne wape ho ntam asi na ye di nkomo no bebre ya ba bedru na ya we ye ba behwe e ba oso na yi wani a ho sunsuaso no etesei fasedama endpoint ninti eni edisa enkomoe ene so dog ankasa eti adwuma o chiri enti nyi free 5 minutes ye nche na osu TV dog ya na se
aseda nyame
enti paresthesia ya ye ka ho asem e ba ye nso ye experience bi ni ya ntwiti a ehun sunsuaso no etese
yo meda se na otwe nyina ye di nkomo afa paresthesia ho na de ye kan nyina nse ya ho hyehye ya de obi ho a wo se me ho hyehye me obi a wo se bibi ni na me honam duanim obi a wo se me ho twetwetwe me obu a wo se asa bibi wo me honam duanim obu a wo se me honam duanim keka me obu a wo se bibi ni na me ho ananse me honam yam dududu ananse kyekye me obi ho a wo se asa de me wo asa de light bi kikiki me honam duanim mu ni nyina no eye ade a ye beka ne se paresthesia na otwe mu nyina no ye di nkomo so afa ho se ye wo no ma de sa de ne ba ye se yade e fe ne se diabetes arthritis ene lupus etime de ahohyehye yade ye ba obi ho so kra no na eye ne spine problem ene wanya eno so etimi de ba obu ana exercise na wonye obu ana cholesterol na wosoro eno so etimi kofa ade ye fe ne se paresthesia na ahohyehye yade e ba besue enipa de sene na ene no de pese edi nkomo e fa ho no se menya ahohyehye ni yade ni bi ana se me ho ehyehyehye me bibi wo me honam duanim me joint ne me joint ye me ya ana se kyeche me honam me dududu me kwa ase de ye pia matiko no se man twiti a ehun sunsuanso obey ene wo homa me sunsuanso wo no bi ni se ebetumam paralyze wo ebetumam adwojo
wow
na mpem bebre no anso bu ana yade bi na de saade ne ba e bi ana ye wo spine ene de saade ne ba eno so no wa hu ni ntem a eno so kra so betuma abubu agu fom so hu obi oso kwa se de e kan ne bia na diabetes na de ba wan hwe ya o sugar ne kosoro bebre eno so e wo hu sunsanso kra eno bo hu so obi ha isi twa da nan ne sa na mani nyina no efiri sa na mani bi eti e hu sunsanso no ene se etime de bibia fense paralyzation na mmom no oya wa obe go through no kra no so no e ya na dan sunsanso obo se bedum ne bi na wuntimi nya hwe adwuma kra wuntimi nko wuntimi na na wuntimi se ne sa wuntimi na ade ache enti the ordeal another pain ya we go through the excruciating pains ya we go through no is enough
wow
enti ni tofa kra na say ebetima dwo wow ebetima bubu agu fom enti we offense paralyzation ebetima paralyze okra enti eyade a se eba ye hwe ade kra ede sa wo hawo no eba besue yen na end point to me part clinic eyade a yitimi tu sa yade we ase firi okra enti no se oba ye be ye check ahwe ade kra ede sa ade ne ba so say stroke na dey ba stroke kura so timi ko fast ade na ba enti yade e dey sa wo hawo ne ba no ye be hwe ye timi tu anama end point for your number ni nkomo number ni 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68
yeda Dr. Dubuaten say ochina sabre ya wada masaka ye ho na ye ntoa burning sensation yi eso be me de pa ohun de timi ekofa ba no se bia uyi wani free ho no mu ade timi eja wo ochina ye be hwe ni treatment e wo endpoint homeopathic clinic e ho e kina nkwa hoden wo ho a kan ye ho de ntoa so
which still resist the progress kra was afa e dan no ho na bibia
onua as a people's assembly ana obekodo and the assembly member and the
yenya obi a oye native a owo nkrofo ede betum pa aka oye family member
na ne jazinyi
ne jadin papa penti
papa oye kama papa buchie do ezibal so inya ntino
edi buchie do na what we do on count
no was a maranyani to no ehwe not say kra was afa edan no ho na bibia dem roba ye obotum na we keep edan no acher na oye kama papa na ye tuedo a na ye bohu baby a hade na wozin kan obesi ekwame nkroma ti ehwe use ehwe oye use oye say kra was acher na oye kama papa na ye tuedo a na ye bohu baby a
ayen history ankasa na blankrofo blaha na sesi aha ayen te senkran de ne pepepe aha so na obenya story a ayen no kra efa papa ne ade nyina kwa menkroma ho yedase yeto nsafro so obi amra
yo maso medase papa lord wo bibia pe wo boy man oninyi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah 1909 to 1972 so that wo fa imunu ifri hade is a conquer
is a Rebecca de yenya obi a oye native a owo nkrofo ede betum pa aka oye family member nti yenje me no mencheche mo as to Kwame Nkrumah na brabo na otiden ekwo no po yewunde wa atwotwo nsma bi wo ho o de metum aka but ona ho no betum na wa explain better oda me nti yenhwe na ye ndi nkomo no mencheche mo as to wada I want to be what
Kwame
Nkrumah Yan best kitchen.
What papa? Why 1972? So that wo fa imunu ifri hade is a conquer.
Is a Rebecca de yenya obi a oye net
hana omofa e cross ko afu
de obi botum adwen ho pa da nsu
yes ayen history ankasa na blankrofo blaha na sesi aha ayen te senkran de ne pepepe aha so na obenya story a ayen no kra efa papa ne ade nyina kwa menkroma ho yedase yeto nsafro so obi amra
yo maso
Say yabeto kwa nyame ya Adom a memenda wo Bukom Arena yabeti obi kwa ya momrane yemfo domodom na yeni agro no kama ti ho shirt na shemi aha dame kama pa maji egumusa no ai amishamu edamase momre no madaje edamase pa na mamefa we ntwemu ma Gnet Service present 2025 women in worship nyame Adom ne 20 metwas me de bebro fache me pa metwo no so achi mamefa we emra na cervical cancer said ye nyina ye ni mu no silent killer ebekun bra wunhunu hunsunsu aso na wo so wunhunu ansa before wo behunu no na je say dru achi ya ba beha nipadua no the santi ye mofra mayoa 9 to 14 years no nyame Adom ye nya vaccine ye de bebo nkra no ho ban won kwa na nyinara cervical cancer to ma wodi ano ha dwen ye pa ha dwene enti from 7th to 11th October next month yes vaccination am kwada ma you are 9 to 14 years ebebe school so ne sorry ne mia ba bia ye hu nkra wo ho ma you ano omo ye virgins no ne abo omo sa pan be for life o pani a wadi kan ahu so to say ye no say yasa wo aka hu die wo so wo ho no ma ya akọ na ko check ye nye wo pap smear no mo hwe so wa wodi na no ho no it say bibi wo ho no mo ana afutuo ne hyehyɛ wo ho aye nyine betumi de aboye ho ban ye mfiri ase ne na ye ntu anamon na ye ne say betumi aboa ye na Ministry of Health Ghana Health Service ne won partners and aka bomade aman boyin ebreye give us for abano pay wo mo onu ahodo wo adwama so ebia no ati give us na wohunu de eduro no ebia ye wo ne padua no mo ti be me na tene adwama odi ebe be fe memo akwabe otakwa biba se bibia agoko otakwa bi so ho ye ye give us ba mixture ne capsules
mate yo madase ahwefo ne etiefo na no pe ma me fa ncha kase en fama mo FFI give us heba center ya kache ye na no fo ne ye kofa bai Dr. Solomon Kwabe se bre na do nyina modem ho ato ye so ma yarewa hodo mbekwa yaresabia na wo mbeka se mo nkopa hu aduro na mawura eye heba shop pharmaceutical shop license chemical shop na makwa pen rupai bi na motumi anonom eno ene na no pen so ebrewie du se me no ebe hia na eja ya bonitew na yetumi ahwema ye nipedua no ene afede ye dane da akone aba etumi ewie peye wei ene ye give us herba mixture enam se ntonton no da ho na adwumaso a edi na boa Ghana de hye wo momo amano ne ene wiase afa na nyina nti ene oye ya wama na hotedin say give us a entontom eda ho enti eno ene entura herba shop pharmaceutical shop license chemical shop ene be bia eton aduro man Ghana mu bia na mepacho give us herba mixture enye na anope obi hweme obi tie me wo sorry anope asa waye boho onipedua nyina asa waye memne oji hu bia enye enka obi a wakwakwakwa ma ade achi anopa de ese otumi sorry ahoden so ekoko ba ne sana na ese mira oyew na ebe nipedua no mu na ese mira oyew so na ebe nipedua no mu dia na ese enkwabo abo nipedua no ho ban no eno na no edwodwo epamcha ya wo immune system no enti no ese otumi enye aduro na wotumi ede ahya na mu ma wotumi de ahya mu kena aba fo hwehwe mu so aba bedendezi se ye hahama ye dubi na ne dinsi ahodo ya eno na wo pa aduro no betumi anom ema no ahya enkwamo no emu anase etumi boost immune system na eno na ye hama ne dubi na eno na give us a center Dr. Solomon Kwabi wode aye aduro ye de abai FDA for their form fidie mu agi ni nyina de atomo eno ntine ne ya to apete ewo herbal shop pharmaceutical shop license chemical shop ene be eto aduro man Ghana mu ene wiase afa na ba bibia se na kwie ne eto aburo pete on asase so no kona kope bi wo ye oba wo ye bema ebia wo ba unue bi wodi finhye dumienu ekono wo ho akwanya se obetumi anom bi se immune system na no dwodwo a wahu eno na se yare bie yi niti outbreak bie ba me ba cho wadweso ene ye oba beso enti men twen emma yare bi ememfa nipedua no enhye so ansa na mu bo omo nipedua ho ban ebre ne edo nyina pepeduro na nonom bo modern na num aduro eyo hyenkeni a wo kodwa so na wo koba odwedeni a wo koba posini wo koba no bo de suomu de bia me ba cho edura wo hia eye give us herbal mixture na wotumi anonom na no na beboa ema nipedua ne nya hoɔden enne me ha ade chia me ha de bia na wo complaining no e ba cho unya give us herbal mixture eno na beboa obi so ho no ma wo hwe me eni ho no mo se na ananse aso me nan ena ananse aso me nsa ena me nsa ye titiriti ena me gimi ho bi enje me ba cho se nipedua kwa ne ba bi nya adwuma se wo nsa be ye titiriti se wo na se betatai ana se wo na be gene no bega se ne sasabro na ache me e ba cho eye intini no moja ene endie furusane ewo muye na se moja nso endie furusane ewo eye moja num eye nipedua num yi a eno na ye kokofa saa we nyina no etumi ede eba eno nti na me se bomoden na kopa give us eba make sure ibi na no na untini na emu asi ni nyina aya na mso ma moja no ntumi endie furusane na moja no entumi nkomma no ebe ma moja no apapo na sisi wuntini no ebe nane ni nyina ma moja na tumi ade efusane e ma afi de wudu unuma so na wokoba enya afi na beye ena na se aseme nan ena me nsa ye titiriti no me ba cho ura herbal shop pharmaceutical shop licensed chemical shop eni be bia to aduro bia na ubenya give us herbal mixture give us antontom da ho na watumi akọ bia to na wanom ni awonti ase ebra ma no guso ameka se ya obetumi afre yen na wapenkyere mu sani awode ne ye wo no na watumi ne yenwo di nkomo ne ya kyerɛw ekwan a obetumi afa so anu maduro no ene mmia ne akodo obetumi nya bi ato won patemu eye 0543 22 24 70 0543 22 24 70 bomode na kope give us aba mixture bi nanonom na no ne betumi aboa ema wo nipedua akwa no mra oye weba ene wuntini na emu asisisi ema moja ni ntumi ndie furusane yeye no ne nyina no etuetumi atwa ne kurakura mu enso yi tutotuto ya ompatemu obro no wadwuma mu wo fie won se na enrua na efu wo kuhu won se na gatemu honom no afi nko na adokoro mu e ba chaw ade ba ko penso na sane ema nyina ekopa de aba wo mo kofa abo antontom de ba emo antontom ya mo kofa aba enso no wo mo bia ya ba ko mo nya aduane di wo mo aduane wo mo de wo ho dan so a eye nipedua yi enu ntina se wo gya wo ho na wo mo be ka o se edre na me no e ka se wo mo gya na e friend plasmodium parasite eye female anopheles odigu nipedua mu se ya e de wo ha na de bebrel enti wo se na me di kan se wo immune system no eye mra na ya nwe no etumi abebo remu enti wo na ho usunsanso na afa wonu mu ato onipedua no ayebo ho obi wo ha awode na usi uti san pao na o shield na se nipedua ni nyina ya nwonwona me pa cho bomodin etri die duro ba ko pe malaria duro ba ko pe ene wi asa fa na be bibia obi bia agi atumu eye give us herbal mixture give us herbal mixture bomodin na ko pe bi na to nanom na no na betumi abo sani ada ni da na mudwa so ebise bise niam abo no uduo kwan so a no ebisa give us herbal mixture eno so bo na no na betumi abo awo enti wo sana me bobo yare na so ma no ene em na oyew ebe boost immune system esa me boa ema moja apo wo wuntiri ma no atumi atwa ewia na malaria fever etumi atu ase de ama no na bibia no etumi akonkan ya wonti ase no eye 0543 22 24 70 0543 22 24 70 ma me fa give us GC mixture and after the capsules and fan so na no pay me ba cho edro we o koto a o to ni mienu bom eye ni nsuo and after the topae o fan so a o fa ni mienu bom be ma wo hwe me oba wo hwe me a wo say etie me ba cho give us GC mixture no eno be boa ema infections bia ba ni pedua no mu anasa ennem yarewa bia ene ubehu ba ma bi na sebi na ha mu ho na ensoansoan kwa na gu ho na ho ma ya prekesene otumi dua na ho ya tu de bia na ne sashe ne kotokuo mu na ya scratch and win promotion me pa cho be ma ne si de biara da say ya nnem yarewa na etetew anasa infections bi na agini pedua na aboso no we dra wo hia eye give us GC mixture and half in the capsules eno na wobetumi anya bi na wanonom eza se nsoansoa na egu wonom na wudwi ne ni nyina na de nsoansoa de bre eye o mema yo ene o mema sem ewo mpemu eno nti na mentwen ema enemu yarewa ema wanimu nkogogu ase mentwen ma enemu yarewa emfa o mema yo emfa mra sentino bomode na kope givers GC mixture and half in the capsules ewo herbal shop pharmaceutical shop license chemical shop ene be be ton aduro bia eno na betumi abo wo ye oba wo nso hie bi wa himfi ho no ebire na odo nyina no siesie ho ma ne nye kama ma ho nya akono ma mpampa ye firi ho ba no enya ade a efrefre na ebire na odo nyina no udofo ho kafo eye o kantima betumi atena wo nchen na wonya sa eye odom anigye ene eye kansa aware mu anigye no eno so etumi awo ho enti wo ye oba na nso bi ta egu wa himfi ho no mo wo ho no mo na nsuo ta egugugu me pacho edura wo hia eye givers GC mixture ena afa ne capsules eno na ebeboa ema enemu yare we bia etumi aba ni pedua no so eye infections bia agi ni pedua ne de aboso no etumi aboa esensie ni pedua no ema ni pedua ne den egina brand obega se edictosify ni pedua no obi wono mo onante ha ne ha na nakoma ebo pedi ene staircase kura de so onfo a na se wo de ade so akese pa ene de aso no ereboa ema ni pedua no ene wakoma no etumi asiesie ema no aye kama give us GC mixture ene the capsules enye na bomode na kopebi ewo herbal shop pharmaceutical shop license chemical shop ene bi eton aduro bi a Ghana ha ene amano ni nyina no obetumi anya dupa yi abi eye 0543 222470 now ni give us herbal center ahobrase mu uni yen eni nkomo ebia opebi etu aton opebi e de ahyedwa opese uji nkyeremu bi a chen ya me de ama wo ya 0543 222470 0543 222470 na no pay uni eni nkomo
yada give us a center for say nenso one more de wonro no ye wa bonten wa beka ho asem e de akire ye kwaba amboatma ye krado enen nkrofo ene ofiri a wo bay osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ho abakosem ene adehie wo kro no mu bi wode bi edi nkomo enkohwemra
So, what is it?
Ebusiafo akwaba zeba amamre do amamra Adom TV do baby biara dwumeza kese rekodo Ghana hade za wazi ya manyo sam amambre sem biara no ono na ye hwe na ye zechi na ende anepe nyame ahe na Adom ye bebe pwe mu wo nkrofo na se eti nkrofo wo wasoma nyimde na ye ka Kwame Nkrumah nukrum Kwame Nkrumah so ze oye obi a oye nyipatitu papa osagefo the great ono ozono nkwatu honom zama oman Ghana honom a wozo wono moja enyi brei eji oman Ghana ezisi honom no Kwame Nkrumah eka ho na ono so na ozimu akoten papa nti no oye MP a owo Elembele district ahade another Elembele constituency ahade no wa face no bo Emmanuel Kofi ama beboa wa face ne bode there odru Nkrumah ne birthday biara obey celebration sonko exam no nti no 1 week and na wode si hono ma was bebezi the mujuma no na mama nke odenye makote na mo wa hade Minyunia Lord Teria and Wahade na Zotinge there. Meshira, Ebehude Wacho or Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum. And to know originally no in 1972 no aha and we know was there Nimuno Ebebe Shem. You can say Imuni had a biome was the immunoco and now so no baby a very emotional place. A lot of history actually osaje for na hyase a hade na okodo wo chere nsubi da hade ya history bi wo ho damara na baby a wo no bebe na ebusuafo tena na bibia no hade na yebenya no ntino and very interesting pa wo amamre do Lord Bray na mama wa kwaba na wona mama kwaba
I know them mama kwaba sound the introduction
it's no Lord the Western region correspondent zamba he no ikrom hade is ahanya no yira kono kwa na de hade na ozina agor wo ntino in the Kwame Nkrumah fest no wo chuma Kwame Nkrumah ne favorite color ya pink nti ehu de shesha pinka na sechere nyinara nyen Lord Kabibi kakra chere hen one day jumeza oba bokodo wa de na Kwame Nkrumah baby ejine no boma oso mo Kwame Nkrumah na abrabo
dem na ye na ye nim no afibia oye the member of parliament or Elembele Emmanuel Amakofibu a odesini no de dey obabo mode na Kwame Nkrumah ejuma pa obeye megano wahwe na wahye ne nyam tembia oka na asame de oye the second Kwame Nkrumah we nyakopa we na ma enzmafo sente okadem de osin owa bochi no Kwame Nkrumah so ne de ombrefie na ombeboa nti onfa Kwame Nkrumah no nsem ondago kwanti dwumedi de wa akodo more than 10 years every year be oye na fidi de obeye sonko kra ehwe hyehyɛ na da oda toto apoma ehwe renovation works a wahwe wotuma ya museum ho na oye ni kankasa nti no afidi Nkrumah first no a wato de janitu nkrofo no obeye ni kapa.
Okay, into know what it say, what be can't it say, what be sure journey to the west and a journey to Nkrofo and yabano yaba yaboshe Kwame Nkrumah nation to know Lord Mayor Romu na won to know say Esha Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum no and ye Romu no say Idru Hadeya watch our Sergeant for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum Nkrofo renovated and commissioned by Honorable Emmanuel Kofi Amabua Ononoye MP wo Elembele ahade to know Friday 19th September 2025 ina washema renovations na zo sada waye o wahade nyina no waye ye room na yakom yakoshe oye beautiful edifice osi hade idru hade nsu no zika no welcome I felt Papa
last week Saturday me opportunity me ba abrana warrior renovation works no I wanna way adwuma no wa abodwuma nkasanka because last week Saturday na no ogudu wo hye shaha ehwe dem yeme na last week Saturday na no ogudu enti just be 3 4 5 days na wotum na wa ye dem adwuma no che wotum na wa abodwuma nkasanka oda yetum na yebo MP na ne dom hona abado.
Okay, into no Nwasamaranye na ye Romo no na Kwame Nkrumah no owo Ghana. Into no there's no way able Roma ye hu the Ghana flag no what we see to know ehu flag no na no as no wife papa red, gold and green we see fe is the atu honom na yes, and you who walls no who has no kind of painting now or we paint to Kwame Nkrumah at the Damara and now watch or you may be in as what do mom pede your bush at the minion Lord. Into no actually, yeah, you know, your Kwame Nkrumah famous quotes, Papa. I say the independence, I say if the independent African states cannot come together peacefully into a union, then armed force must be used to achieve our socialist revolutionary objectives. It must be directed against those states and elites which still resist the progress of the African revolution. Lord, there will be
Actually, right is our here now. Nkrumah famous quote another statement that we making. Ina awana wotuna renovate and washana wotuna watch what abo ebano dem obeya additional so the tourists wobeba no obe reflect in their mind wo hu in summer oye Kwame Nkrumah okay.
Inti no Kwame Nkrumah ze onya nyimpa biara keke obi a otum obo hen ma yeje fa huzi na oyo obi a na dwom de ho ye papa o kan nsam bebre a menye wor ka say ye hwe ba ho a o wa ha de ni nyinara na wa chocho is the egu ha de for centuries Europeans dominated the African continent into no na hwa the munse bi nyina no o ye nsam o keka during time no or boa ako amagana agye no fa hunze into no most of them they who there or the Europeans now we busy here no do no ho komo na azem bro ba ya yan kasa so botu mentally ya free na ya tum na ya nye Europeans na ako na ya gye mfa hunze na Kwame Nkrumah osom here mbo papa
then papa ehwa Kwame Nkrumah wotum na wayi African man of the millennium na so ya Kwame Nkrumah no onsombo ma Ghana nkwete onsombo ma West Africa but onsombo ma ewiade hina so the African hina akọ part of Europe mpo we colonizing and na Kofudina and what the Kwame Nkrumah Kofudina we believe in the ideologies and the Kwame Nkrumah member oye into onsombo ma Ghana nkwete but onsombo ma ewiade hina
no ho asamara nti no dinkra symbols na ze oye krom hade oya chances will be in aza ni nyinara owo asechre akonfona na aze ni nyinara no na wadrodro ni nyinara kama we paint no wo no ho na Kwame Nkrumah aze ye fe papa aze ye fe papa nyipo be na majume
menka one secret be obi oye artworks na last week na ye ni MP ba no say or identify boy no the boy no talent or sense make cross be no ye the obefa na wa boy into no hwe no school am we university into also edwuma de sene nse dey bibia no offer artwork one on MP no obehia no ode obe na obeye ode to nickel and also obeye for mbo ode abo no into obi a MP no sponsor ma otum na okọ university wi no ono ye dem artworks ye we hina.
Wow, no, nesa na ejuma so AFL papa za no so botum waye ozabwa o man Ghana na waye yewura mausoleum no mu na mopocho abaze
ne kitchen aha na ne family ne mama ne papa na ne nuanam tre a waka no wohwe na waye ho ediben na ehon no ye eden a wo Kwame Nkrumah ehon na woda once we won't be bia.
Okay, na chere Lord Richioma baby a yegine iye Kwame Nkrumah ne fie akwentin ehwe Kwame Nkrumah no nkrofo bebe ka Kwame Nkrumah fi nkrofo na hefa no ote wo nkrofo baby a yegine nyina no na ha na Kwame Nkrumah ote na jazi ni
jadin papa penti ekwani wo mpo wa atwa bo ne ma me wo fa ne nyane ba nti wa atwa bo nyane best kitchen na cheda ha na no ye ni jada otum na wo ye wedman yenum se betum egwe ni afeto nyama
wow onya sam kwakwaba enka no jazi papa ehwe oye porta osisi ha de cheda yi ni Kwame Nkrumah na ma me ni nyama o yusi oye wow oya kama papa oya kama papa buchie do ezeba osuzi inya nti no
buchie do what we do mpo on count
no wasamara nyeniti no ehwe note kra was afa edan no ho na bibia dem roba ya obotum na we keep edan no achere na oya kama papa na ye tuado a na ye bohu baby a hade na wozin kan obesie Kwame Nkrumah ti ehwe iya Kwame Nkrumah nanda a wo boy man oninyi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah 1909 to 1972 so that what fa imunu ifri hade is a concrete
is a Rebecca
maso medas papa Lord wo bibia pede ka twatwana
number kan de ehwe event mo soro kona obe ni jan kasa dem Adom TV amemede ye ha de ye besom Ghana fu ina nti bibia obokodo wo oye nkrofo elemre bia no sentuma ba out so TV na hwa Adom TV na ye bebro live wo Adom TV na Adom FM na yen social media handles na
inse no ho asamara nyen menko baby atna se na yemfa journey to nkrofo no mfambro wo fie se butu baba ka yen wo hade ye nyu abaji papa won bra na won be experience from papa or bo wo nkrofo hade tell me can izini fancy no manimu nia Lord na papa baka yen ho
John Kwa Onketia chairman of the local planning committee
badana se papa inse no yaruko menko baby atna se ate Adom TV amamrenyi ya so de sisia
Prince Afro so be amla.
maso medas papa lord e wo bibia pede ka twatoana
oh number kan de ehwe event mo soro kona obe ni jan kasa nem Adom TV amemede ye ha de ye besom Ghana fu ina nti bibia obokodo wo oye nkrofo elemre bia no sentuma ba out so TV na hwa Adom TV na ye bebro live wo Adom TV na Adom FM na yen social media handles na
inse no ho asamara nyi no menko baby atena se na yemfa journey to nkrofo no mfambro wo fie se butu baba baka ye ho ha de ye nyu abaji papa won bra na won be experience from papa or bo wo nkrofo ha de tena me ken zini fancy no mani munia lord na papa baka ye no
ho John Kwa Onketia chairman of the local planning committee
badana se papa inse no yeroko menko baby atena se ate Adom TV amambre nyi ya so de sisia
kwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na oguso ehwe no mre no wadaje nti yedase na me wona dom wa ha na Adom Herbal Center abna etie adwam a enuro no ne eye ewe nipadie mo ne ba bedi ho nkwa wate bebre na Adom Herbal clinic omoye de no be na wa adwam aso abna na wo ho bechichiri mo e de achew me mo akwa be se bibia boko na dogo nso ho ye
nyame Adom no ho ye pa Mr. Samu wonder no pe ye chiao se nyankopon de Adom nyansa ne nimdie enti se duma wo na wantsena so udi ye dre kama ene eso banfa so ma me eso so banfa so ama obibia owo krom ha nyame shapa na onyo kese menua ba onu sapo modem pa wo ye ma setena pa se wunya sika dan ma na se wunya hoden a sika no fa so be na wo so amanfo wo sika pa na nso sika ntumi ndwo mo kwa e wo se wo kwa wo bei wo hwe wa pomuden uye wo ma wa pomuden no eho ehia the way all of a sudden no bu nam kwan so atum se na ne car no a break down no sana ni pedua no da wani enda no ebe feli intent na ho ma na nyansa de bia bna betna ha na meka e wo se mo apomudi hu hia e wo se wo hospital e wo se wo ye checkups ni ade meka no afa ne tra na wo sreme de ebe feli no na me say se mu abna ka ebedu ho na menua ba akọ US am so nam UK wo hwe ya wo hu ye intent na mo betna si endra media bay make sure se ba ko pebia to ne to how ne atete ne yare betna wo so a aye kwan kro a wa treat a enko no ene e wo se open wodro na etu ase edema na Adom Herbal Center ye produce na fa X-Vein mixture na fa X-Vein capsules and na so na fa Lady Clean say enete we kra de ye friend say small but 90 na no na msio me pentade ba ko mienu bi nteja mi nkoyi ni low na me hye ne high mi si mi nu mi hu se me call kanta mi du ho na me yi boje me so na fa Lady Clean on boje me so say o sie ye na fa de me fa de kra which means say edro no aye bibi e de amom and pay say wo hwe me a we a small but mighty nafa Lady Clean 100% natural feminine hygiene wash na dom yankasa ene akokwaye makotetin dwa ha ban ni dwa hini ye de fan fidiem awhoro ho ai no krogen ya doctor fo ekukudam ene agina fidie ho de haban aye edro kama ohwe ni say na very very portable neat kama we ultimate show back pocket ye be kokodi weekend yi okwa asesie ho ansa na wakọ me say o ma ye sign check mom menua bo mo nchen omo ye de sika kokko peti esi omo saso no mo nchen wo ye buku trips mom no mo nchen wo e ma wo kanya wo ka ho fe no e ma ne nya wo ka wade ase entent na ho na mfie no ndru bebi na aka se wo fiefo na ye obi eni hu ada agesa check engine ho obu obeka so mema ne ba no mo ko hit and run na e de ntia o sa boy no ye hit and run na wasan ko bi foforo akwati aka do so e de ntia wasiesie no hu ye obi apade ye wade ma se timi nwa ba siesie ho we no ne bo onye din hanti no say nete egu ne tuom kama asawa ehye ho we purely herbal obehwe kakra egu asawa ni na de akọha mekira odi be hye ahemfie ho sa ahemfie ho nom ekeka wo enso abegu ho nom infection atena also for so many years in yenko se bi o road rust ho nom a na chese enka no ebu kon eye serious bo nom a or run the panties to say ya in 30 this something be called dross no ho no areho nunyaba intense na onye nhwe han make sure say won sabeka nafa lady clean e be hwaboa na eyisa ha oni na efri ho no mo e de ama e ma ne bebre so ho mo komo partners so oh baby dum lights ni dey ntu no mu dum light ho no mu nkoye enso bi gugu ho timi say ahemfie ho no mo a shift from the way na et first and upese was sansu that dem mu bi emu dia enya make sure say wonsa ebeka nafa lady clean ebe siesie ho no mama ho no my resource kama ebia awo anasa abrabo mu semtina ma hemfie ho no ebie onu say infection equate na also chai to ma hemfie ho no bie naturally and tense on enye hwe han make sure say wonsa beka nafa lady clean bi ukona nye say neti amsiro twem ko mento obi amfa asokwanda no wa chenchena say neti onetuom kama purely herbal na no say me bi so kira wo hu ye haban krogen na ye de aye unko yuzu bi nkonko nye kira sem bia da bi asa wa de ya chew yuzu na sa kono koto foforo na efa esiesi ho nti say neti and we hwe kakra e de gum say purely herbal ye me kasa keke enko ye show working what I say nti na chese untumi function obi wono modne ma hye no ho an ho ye ne hene nti no so obe squeeze liquid na eden e de gum sa say na obe yuzu no ebe yi fi ne nkeka wa ne nefri hodo e de amam besan so ache resource kama besan su da de mu say akwala mu no na wodi we no e hye ho no we no nko anya enough ebe ye adwuma na ma bata no nko anya enough e wo say wonom we nafa X-Vein mixture and a capsules no nafa X-Vein mixture and a capsules na no benom na infection no de wo mojemu de wo system nim ni na aba sene akọ because infection also no anya one day and de ba ye process that wako dam you no santi no se me maw medication am catch you say no 1 month am srew ye ne sa efma me obi won ma agindo no bebre ne gu ho wa so sa ne gu no mo ontre no ho no se ne a kire no nti infection into me to ase emfa maw me srew bana se me ka say 2 weeks treatment it depending on wo nyoma na be ka kire me no se e bia wonya discharge the air cost was system na me say obi a obehia 1 month treatment obehia 2 weeks treatment into ba ye no bedi nkomani ye hu senia wo ha no etie ene edro no de ende be ma na wanom na yisa ha ni na efi ho no mo e de ma nafa X-Vein mixture ene ne capsules nafa X-Vein mixture ene ne capsules eno so purely herbal haban ene de ya obenom na etu infection asini na e de ma so wo dwon so na wo te ya munwa be ma koje fitre so kodwon so wo ba chi say de na so no emai e be bompa ya na insufite bi anase moja bi e de kire eba obi krampo de moja no efra dwon so no e na eba adenti na wo say eba ne sa urinary tract infections me che UTI wo tent na ho na so ye nhwe han a e ba akosho rubber e ma ne ndu sa level nansa anope ya wo te me nke make sure say won sabeka nafa X-Vein mixture capsules e be hwa boa na etu sa how ni na efi ho e de ma apart from so betumenya no wo endem no obi wonu mo ko washroom especially mema no okọ akwatena water closet no sa no we ja na ho sa no si so say obema no ka WC na no na so bi akodwon so dada na nipa no infection ni bi na so obema no eka ade na no a automatically betumenya bi and say even insuo na e work closet ni no say e bia physics no etom na say epete eka obema na no a obetumi enya bi nti no ekwan we so ni na otumi nya nti ukọ washroom no ma obetumi e de tissue no afafa eye WC no so ana kura betu pa so wa de mkura ohun wi a na ende wapa won kama ende ukọ baby ni na beboa asoso asisa UTI ni na anokwan eye nafa X-Vein mixture ene ne capsules e be hwa boa wonya no akopa bi ato na etu sa ha ni na ase e de fi hono mo e de ma me de ma no mo hia me kese because me ma no mo kasapa se mema mienu jan so mo kan ma ho asema me nua ba ukodu wa rebeho asem ukodu ha rebeho because almost say mark as a member kasapa say bibia ni opposite bia say serious o me say me ko to member mienu omo kan ba ho asem so akofa bonde dey na me re kra ho me person meti say matin komo no mudi no ti me twen beside lady ni number ka meje number no mama de draw na sa how na fi ho oso mo ko baby ukuma so ko ya no chese okoshi again na event na so na we kind of fire na juna na chese pasho chese sniper sharp shooter and na juna na pasho no say enka che se wa bai wan ho no e kan ne safiti kumasi bedu nkran
yes no
oh ti mema no mo kasa te a meti ne sa na ya meja ti me nwa man mesere mo nsiesie ho na ma ho fama ma ho siesie no endi mu ne nsi pin fama ye enye oba ne oba wa dress kuntan na ma bonti oba ne oba wa siesie ho na mani na hemfi ho so ye de ekoyie wo to nko papa sra na wo to ndo so di siesie hemfi ho wo to ye bon straight ne human hair akese ne makeup nyoma akese no na wo to nyoma so ye de e di siesie hemfi ho men are attracted to what they see de ohunu eno na betwe na ba na mmo oba na sa hemfi ho no ya sister obeja hodo makọ onam ho sa na time de ebitu tententa ona nya hwa han make sure se ba kope na Adom Herbal Center yendro bi ato na fa Lady Clean na fa eczema mixture and then the capsule sensation bone sisi ni pedua ne bo obeka se mini infection woni infection pa akọ ni pedua so to me e bo ni pedua no ho ban sisi wo ho entna ho ma ha ne mba ansa na kokope won aduro sisi a woto akra no sisi ho na ebi kra na ehinta e be sha sese de e dan ho edi na eyisa ha na efi ho e de mindro enye na pharmacy shops and herbal shops a e wokum ha bebia no ukwa obenya bi atofa na mbe de chire wo so bia wo ha bi but man kan no nche so ba na Adom Herbal Center eni ho aduro ho nduro ni de ebuka fa so send your how ni tie bia no fa bedan ye na ye hwe na ye ntu ase mfa my number no e 053 11 56 556 053 11 56 556 enye na pharmacy shops herbal shops e wokum ha bebia no okwa obonya bi atose o menstrual cycle no so na mbe ye se ne tie bia no fa beda na Adom Herbal Center nyame adom ndu papa ye wo ene mo ho abotwenti no oba oha no se ne tie bia no e be firi honom akọ me sanso esi number no subiom e 053 11 56 556 053 11 56 556 apomodempa ema setena party me don't na ho ma yare enji ni pedua no emoso abra na Adom Herbal Center edundu papa se abedwama so
yada se papa panti ene na Adom Herbal Center nkasa e wa apomodem fam nuro ni bibi chire wadua na no akasa de edu so no yem birthday celebrant no ena yede to a drainti Frank ye krado my birthday song no happy birthday Nkoma Martin Ampofu Junior Martin Ampofu Junior Onyamin Show Nyamenyo okese Oma Sunfra Dumu enkwa Dumu onyo okese pa happy birthday enko enfamon Sanso na happy birthday enko mamia kasa me lecturer wabedane me mame ai Dr. Faustina Blankson oba pa onkwaso Onyamin Show onyawo okese Isi so be kesi oba tani dai tese ensem hane se ya bibi koye wo mamu a wontene mu asekura ono America ni ntino oba na niema bi dog nyami show akuma penti radin show no nyo kesi isi so be kesi to bia onim Dr. Faustina Blankson School of Public Health University of Ghana and the birthday ti freno na wish no a happy birthday dog onkwaso pa Happy birthday, Nkoma Samuel Naneji. Samuel Naneji, Nanenya 4, no waye no. Aha. Erademfa 96 points. Bebre nka ho. Nimdie mu nyansemo. Mie wadwe mu nsi. Mo onyini nya bema kokodrofo nyansafo animdie ayoma. Happy birthday. Samuel Naneji at 4. Auntie Vicky never show happy birthday. Sanso na happy birthday Nkoma Joan wo Makers House. Joan onkwaso happy birthday. Onyamin Shira onyo okese. Na oma Sunfra Dumu enko Adom Joan Makers House ho. Eda wo wasori no happy birthday. Sanso na happy birthday Nkoma Rosemond Thompson. Obapa onkwaso. Radin Sire washim. Miemie ni pedua ni mu. Tini ni mu nyina ya ne da ho na moja nko bebie wo se ekọ. Yameno mo nkwatenti ahudin wo mpa. Happy birthday Nkoma my best friend and sister Abigail Mreku Asapon. Abigail oba ne ho ofe na wo adwempa hwe. Enso me ho ofe na me wo adwempa ani nyansa nti ebi no Abigail Mreku Asapon. Ai we fi Kofi Sapon ani abusua ni nyina kumase ena omo wo show bapa onkwaso wate yami show. Sanso na happy birthday Nkoma Dickness Abigail Akwe Ejay. Deaconess Abigail Akwe eje wo Apostolic Church Ghana. Onyame nhyira wo, nyame nye okese. Wadofo nyina ye wo show, happy birthday. Onkwaso. Rade ntine ni mo nhyira wo, no ma so mfura dum kwa dum sa. Nyame nhyira wo pa. Happy birthday, Nkoma, lovely twins David Boaben and Daniel Boaben. Dave and Daniel Boaben. Omone da so no Monkwaso. Onyame nhyira mo papa. Dave wo post production graphic. So omone da so no ye ne ye djuma. AKA Sugar. Nti Dave Monkwaso no nia Daniel. Orade nhyira mo yo kese. December kese pa. Ti happy birthday. Your birthday celebrant no mu nyina ni Orade nhyira mo na me nua Efia Sugar. Be refi na Efia de yantoso. Or Daddy FM Efia Sugar. Efia Unkwaso. Happy birthday. Onyame nhyira. Kusi se obeye kese papa. Medidi Efia amankwa tamaklo. Kwasinsia ye krado. Na me yaduma Saturday mu nyina momro. Bukom Arena. Adom TV dame na baso. Akwasi se bra no obedi agro because watimi ahye Kofi Ampedunti no oye champion. Ti dame na da so no nti momra nyame ya adom a momahwe akwasi nsia oso wabo bi pe amani ampodi dwa ya sum momra. Na ye mehwe de akwasi betumi aye oso na opin. Ti ye twen akwasi nsia. Ti obo ade in the building. Ono ne oye jaja da oye show hosts. In the building. To ono na eda me chiamen. Ti no anse omo hye. Hey, Saturday de jai. Ye ni adaje. E Bukom Arena. Yeso brave free entuahwe bra. Wa register nko ade abra. Ye nyina ye nhia. Ye ni agro. Agudie bebre wo ho. Wa on register ye na bra. Na be support ye hia mo vim. Ye ni get fi bra na nwum so ginam. Bra wai. Bra na bi national wagini din sa bra na so Mumra Sama no doko La Paz dan suman boche be bia clubs ni nyina Mumra me support mo crofo o ma chi o mo app o mo ntimi nim kunim ni nyina mu no so nim se we yie na me ya do ma me dey ya ye nu abema DJ Awana oni o e penokra be rade agena de intimi mu so obi asem ti ya be kan ye ho otema committee 2 Agri Road Horn Park na so ye nya no ekiri kama nkoda din ye da se so ba be kan ye ho sa ye da se pa kwasi ba na pensem mu se wonim se na ye ko US na yakofa exclusive interviews na bro tweno okwaba
alasa shewayo ukonima anazagobia usi shewayo osi shewayo de obi antoni no because game ayeto onima ye na ye di nima de akọ di wo Ghana Kumasi Kabura di bia uti shewayo mia nti jam no ni obi abehia oti shewayo mia ye jisu na shewayo che jisoro na wofupu obepupu saa sa with the fast thinking because time no 45
Eye Adom TV dame Macho kwa
Watch Makwaba efa emra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV Yeah, live DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Multi TV Big Boss on us yes stream live and so on more. Wait me share clear live and colored. Yeah, them clear. On all our social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Maybe I could be searching for Adom TV. On Facebook, searching for Adom TV Extra. They follow me so Big 6 on Facebook. Na ede ikomo. Ja comment wo me genma kenkan e de amanom so amfo ebre. Ebre pass and manya brave ready comment mo fa nche me. Mo fa nche ne meye comment e ba nyina e ho adwuma. So once again, eno aso da Trinity Baptist Church for the Integrity Conference 2025, which is still ongoing till Sunday. Eti eno a prophet nana say ewie ne de no kra. Enne enwure 6 p.m. so yesa ejinemu. Eti fanya agudie. Nyabrema ho. Nyabrema sunsum niema. Nyankopon nankasa enu atamfo ni emfa emma. Nyabre efama ho. Nyame nankasa no watamfo eni emfa ma. Enwure kan ho biem ewo Trinity Baptist Church opposite UPSC. Medina for Integrity Conference 2025. Join ye. Never can when you marry. Maybe an be pass by. The world we are in now, and you're friendly, sir. And you're that friendly. Thank you for joining us. Medina Akwasi is here because a Kingdom Herbal Center. Omakofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Number if just so. There be a make catch some straw. And there is a do here bet me a boa me a dada sentiment me pay you a Kingdom in the pan ebi. Wapon so at the yo. Nti de yade ene no ADSC ya ko ase entimi entu unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules netimi aboa amogina na supi cholesterol ene hawo ene ne ade ba ko ekum ni papa ba say Kingdom do de bi o catch us before abeto na abenom no make sure say doctor certify say yade we ne how ansa no to Kingdom endro no ebi to ze nya ko ne catch us cholesterol kwa ne how dia Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Garlic Capsules na become for area mama baby aton do biara kwa sa beka bi atom to phone fresh 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom I say no challenger enche yebeko America buchimemna yene the Minister of Government Communications. Minister of Government Communications, Felix Kwachiofosu, Akodi Enkomo, all the way from New York. And then His Excellency John Dramani Mama Ebre Eduso to address United Nations General Assembly. The last time was, I think, 20th of September 2016. That was the last time I addressed the United Nations. And this time, he's addressing the United Nations on 25th of September 2025. I feel now, I think about 4:12. Yeah, in New York. It's exactly 4:12. So we're looking for on Felix Kwachiofosu ebe join via Zoom. Na di enkomo. Tell me back me on one. Also clarify na otimi so twa picture e chess man pani echo from day one be see and now be say some of the engagements here akoso behind the scenes and then for so Ghana benya e dey face so on Felix Kwachiofosu e join e pe ye dey ebetum say be say the former Greater Accra Regional Minister Atrase, the former Member of Parliament for Tema East on a friend MP3 so any me bakura ne friends Daniel ni kwate Titus Glover nimo bokore
o bakin agwezinzia o bakin ene yede ebeda nyamiase meni ajepa
okay
me by na me wo mame nchi ahwefo nyina no pay
yes
na me wo gospel nyumbia eye ewe
okay
na nyum ne me da me boss ya na chese na me susu koso
okay
because eye nyina ne yekoso yekoda ya ne anya ne
yes yeah
and the adum ne bi saying adum ya o say da trade ampo ase say odi bia cheye
sure
nti
me da nyame ase se ene meeting kwemu a me kwaba na ye nyina ye beka ye ho aboma ne atwe Ghana nkomo ndi me din kra kase free tema okay me di free MPP Office of the National Organizer hopeful okay Daniel ni kwata titles global change Eddie Chair Commander of the airwaves akwesisia
Daniel ni kwata
o back
titles global
ndi mabedu
ati yana se aba bedru na okay so when Felix said he'll be joining very soon
na anzana Felix beba no
okay
enu na me hwe social media Facebook na me hu say Asafuaji honorable Asafuaji
yeah
member of parliament for Bosumufre
yeah
or a deputy ranking member for the Committee of Foreign Affairs
yeah
UN General Assembly and Gabasa Abujina Poneko the ranking member
yeah
yen wa be move okuja da black on noko
okay
ya mani per diem okay then the visa ogodu airport yesi on sanya manonko adanya okuja to yin din e de free ade no because or criticizing nyama bi a oye on the Ghana for the ne on akoka dwemu a omo Cote d'Ivoire because of the ntokwana si wo savannah hono
yeah
ono so okuja to call hono ono so si na chi call de oku yen de o ka no enya ne de but there is a guy a black one oyen hu champion
is a minister
oyen hu champion
or a minister of
foreign affairs
he addressing him as a guy the office he occupies.
Okay the minister of foreign affairs Fachame
yes
who had opportunity to criticize Nanado's government at anyhow
okay
he had the leverage of criticizing bebre and now he criticized who wave onyanwoje
okay
onyanwoje and they deny the deputy ranking member from going to the UN General Assembly
okay
and so
it's part of the reasons why Felix will clarify
and Felix never clarified we don't need the clarity from Felix
obviously Aban so slotted for Nipa 2
Nipa debe 2
Beko which na yet
Nipa debe 2 minority dey woman Nipa 2 who came from the minority side
okay
who went from the minority side
you between for nchiremu baby bi anchiremu wo ananyi ni se nchiremu wo ebi anchiremu wo
oh me nchiremu
ebi anchiremu wo bi anya kwa say
me say who went from the minority side
oh okay
onchemu ni famra because a black wa ho no omuko UN General he is a ranking onu yema noko enedi usu no abugina poso onko the ranking enko me ma me deputy ngwa wosi won nko ye wo group
one day bako there
nyame adom wey there you catch me off my
of God
on za nyame adom ye ho ewrade ho ye mobo nyame tete
nkwebo ebo yen wale
wait na le o fi fine wa
stress baby stress
ko na government papa
no kwe we a nyenye ko mi
Oranjo na okay pe
nyenye ko mi me le blamo
ye
yes swag
o she jam a long time
yes swag o mo ye ndisi ko mi ano kwalebo nyenye lo mi
enye ndisi na baba wa o yo swag
ozi mi wa ye fe na mi say
abai papa
na abai me fanu basa abai papa Aba papa ben. Ese mongo.
Aba papa aba otutu nyama.
Ona mo ye.
Omo papa na omo brudru mu.
The way otena se kra no swag or the otena se kra.
Ko na aba papa na ko. Ko abontina bi so onyi min kasa. Aba papa mu nko. Wo kasa se o na sidi ni dollar na wodi wo. Na wodi aba. Ko jom dollar so de ko so. Go and find out. It's not me. Amiti here ado. Am me say de na ka kira. Me say ado no bi ado me. Na nyen mama ban
mama so onya so
enye president mama ban onu mudwe
body constituency
Eradi Adom constituency here so bibia akoso ye nyame Adom this year ya no a very hard working guy
okay
as a kiosan any mpanifo wo ho council of state member chairman Hakim these are very hard working men yenya womo inti constituency is good and him for no boapa Nana Mokwahene ne Trifoman Hene omumi eni nyina na afi Jase Hene da man Trifo oye adwuma pa. I mean, so things are good. Yeah, woman organizer, so much hard-working woman, but I'm confident. So sure that we are organizing a coordinated this school feeding program near dinner. Me Hong Kong, I want to be okay. You know, things are really going well. And maybe now you do more, majuma nanu fiade me koho nipa 110 be a year community police service, be year community fire service 110 and the ejuma kwasha wa monsa o master t ejuma and apprenticeship program now His Excellency Mahamadi Abeyi. Okay, yeah, 4 years ago na me yes idea no ye kire mabuna ejuma, you know, and all that. Na sabre no madam fonko na ya metwa wa muka so mo kire nkola na ejuma. But this year no His Excellency Mahamadi Abeyi nkola na kura esu ejuma kura ye twa nkola na ka. Ana madam fonso ye twa wa muka.
And the program there.
In apprenticeship program now His Excellency Mahamadi. Exactly. And me no ka say nkola ye do mo ashas ye do mo no close to 100 and ye do mo ashas enti we Friday atwa mo no ye di enuma ko share wo mo nsa madam fo no wo mo a na me adom me no ka say ya fro mo a edwuma wura program ye ba mo special training ne ade and you know, agricultural feed Ghana project no enuma akosi nkukon ketengete registration is ongoing na ye ba ma wo mo nti I think say Chufetimokwa and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and I so and my very humble self no ekruma ye de enti nyameni adana se bibi akoyi menua.
Okay, before yabeko so no enura Ghana Police Service here press conference be about security situations in our country. Nipa bonephobia at banks so rare, especially rural banks or yemaimu. You torment a lot of rural banks in Ghana. We have saw salvation now. Yentis our reporter and Adom News about Ghana Police Service press conference.
Posi adwumayeko no etimi akyere enipa dubi a ususa wo mo yakrofo remfo na wo mo di wonjuma wa asante mantem mfimfim mantem no sunwane. Posi dom sahene Christian Tete Yohono etwemu a saa kronfo yi wodi sika korabia nketoa no ententete no akwakọ wia wo mo nanso aposifo ebo modin a ehwehwe sede wonjumadi esi etie no ena wodi akyere edekwache wo mo nipa wakyere wo mo bi eye akwasi agie David Obobi Samuel Akwasi Jan ena kwabena owusu ansa onso ode ne ho akawura aposifo egusu ehwehwe ndendende.
So far we have successfully arrested 10 suspects. 3 other suspects were shot dead in the course of the operation during a shootout with the police. We have launched a manhunt for the remaining suspects who are on the run. We will not stop until we get them arrested. We were also able to recover 14 weapons, including AK-47 rifles, pump action guns, a single barrel gun, pistols, ammunition, vehicles, mobile phones, among others.
Nanwachi Criminal Investigation Department Penimpa Lydia Yako Donko Chimusa Posifo enya etuodumienu ena wo mo ho etuoyi bi eya posifo wo ku wo mo emre bi atwam edia osanso enya sika bi e wo sankofo yi wa enipa du ena fribra wo she operation yase wakire wo mo a ode wo mekwa akogina mra no anim.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is worth noting that one of the AK-47 rifles marked GHGP/ASH/TEPA/TP/B1523 retrieved from this gun was a police service weapon issued to number 48034 G Corporal Francis Eluya, then at Tepa Police District Headquarters, who was sadly attacked by armed robbers and killed on the Bibiani-Bosso Highway on 29 November 2024 while he was returning from an official duty.
Okay, 80. That report was by Echa NMI report. And press conference here, Ghana places for pen for a year. Now before the course, no. One day obviously means main card wage, you know. Techi Mensa, Essential Regional Secretary of NPP. Also, I say good morning. Please let Honorable Von D know that master is being paid and apprentice is being paid. It's nothing new. It is a brainchild of the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, and a lot of people benefited from it under Akufo-Addo Bawumia. Call Kofi Japan, the immediate past YSU, and he will confirm.
Well, it is news to me in my constituency. Nana MPP for anyone here, Nana made Juma over 3,000 a year. Me, a news to me, and yes, okay, in Panka, Minister Sergeant Crab and another Akufo-Addo, Etirimuda. And you agree with me. We've never talked about this on your show. We've never talked about it on your show. Waka chere me say, Madam for Echinam Kola Juma Akufo-Addo che o muka Chiam Kola na esu eduma no so ka. You talk about this thing on your show? It is news to me with the greatest respect. It is news to me because
Sakura nya kroma fe.
Amwasa dia mambo na kamia koya kroma fe.
Ndi membo hu sabrani ngaze yanya hwi e wo ho.
Because am ko fa Nkrofo free enough by be hostel bia the crowd bubu and Nkrofo be prepare ni ade ni na ye basa no na me dem te ye late
even say agwazi mayembo IGP yo no abaso.
Okay, yeah.
Na police ejuma no edio edim papa na de bia semba kwa meka ne se so we your kronfo na wudi boni na police fo nsan so mu a nya hu se wafa hu dio na police fo no e fa hu adwen e hwe kwan a e be fa so a edu be so ma edu be fa ma kwan so na eno na me hwe IGP ewo news no na wo hwe emresanti a akromfo yi boni omedi ewo memia, and they are so strategic and focused. One in bank akese rural banks no gwa because the whole attention is shade in your back.
Sure.
And to almost strike here, they succeed. And the akoye adisua kese by the police administration. And this a you know IGP chagonga nga motune chonga samia na one ya sheda etie simu I liaise with informants, and that is a success of the arrest. It's all about intelligence gathering. Intelligence gathering, source of information obenya I be linki their armed robbers and they dibuano. Okay. And it's a one to me nya sankrofo when we there is no way I go see ubenya sa success no.
Yeah.
And the whole member no any CID Obano Penino any team no any Ashanti Regional Commando member mabaso. Because they took time. Kakran ni gada ni ba. Na me the armed robbers aba me fear na me tu kwan. And me ka. Mameto. Omudu ho no mbisa mase. Na me yere nyim almost about 4-5 months. He lost that pregnancy. About 3 hours operation. Wow. Omu dwane free. Omu refi on free backyard. Na me go wire mesh bi.
Okay.
And in kwan the wall. And he try. And of this small boy be and they fame and before there's a 5-bedroom house and he did that ye be mu say and a bufano room and a coffee kitchen hall and no be on room for 3 hours operation now or long as almost on person of 7 but we saw him was it a beer funnel but almost from Sankano and Jomo within days and I didn't see no I say and Jomo say they are on drugs. Oh my wild, bro, and easy. And you do can you my wife now? No, who's no yeno. So I know how these armed robbers the way they operate. And you have more IGP Nabaso. na yemfa ya no yeni no yemfa sisi form and give the police every information. I don't say aberuwan kokora for mu abruchiri omodi ngongonza because bro no notice no nyina they know themselves and to be for frame pe they say asimesi yaba who na yaba who are you because they know themselves in that environment in the area no one bia and to be frame pe unza ho aba but hano yen cheda ehu ye ne mama because our borders are porous yet you room eko ni ye bani ade but ne Ghana this year eno mu ye say nyama no Ghana this year ono mu ye say ade no enti de o maye de ye no so papa but mo mfa zi wo woni enye wenum so the only group for some time I'm say above from crime number from kakra what does here from the latter part of 2013 2014 abani nyina
like
robbery 2023 2024 who share statistics now above from drastically but when we pay job kakra and I'm happy they've been able to nip them in the bud. So we need to commend the IGP and the team for what they have done. But Momon say they should go out and find out quite a bit we'll pick all these guys. Now you're dealing with them.
Mamia so member tete wono abaso IGP. I think sir sa operation where you know okaya minua dampare abreso he did something very nice or started maybe it is a police visibility more, you know, who took free Cape Coast for example at the Aba Accra you know police for will be show more stops or kwemwa the Abano na dosun ye well armed into armed robbery was akwa no so no ano akwa form kakra that was good na me ankasa no armed robbery am I experienced dano. Emma menya armed robbery hu adwen foforo. Me kai kra pa satana menyi bebresa na makwa adwuma ba na meti Adom estate and me cousin ba ko James ye two car me na mekuta nice for runner bi aja
who got the money
that's a young guy you know honanjo until by Friday Fred Juma by no ni sikrom you know aja bibi kakra ho when na me ye brie gate no ma me houseboy no brie gate no I'm a drive free emu am pie ya no me 10 ya na omede car be cross me no mu pie ya with guns you know na ade omo ye ya no for more than 2-3 years no say me who car say basile so like pena me yem hwehwe me no I mean it cost me a lot of trouble no mu youth show we kukura bring your money no mu yi scan no me akra na me kire omo say bi kura wo ka no mo nkofa nka ho omo wie no mo tu mi car no e car ho ana omo de car no call ye into Ukaya there was some shooting bi achebe 15 years ni police ni be nkukun wo gba way that kind of thing they came from my house Adom estate and they to aswa the yes robbery ni nyina they call ye into me armed robbers no my dream wo ho no ye different because these are deadly horrible terrible guys walking around looking for people to destroy. And I think Sema member that he will abaso and in Imrantiano. I no cry. You see, it's about time I yesuan my papa if you abruchiri said the abruchiri for a year no. One who saw Charlie Ayakunu na wa America. Charlie Cake Ayakunu America. Look, you'll be amazed how the boy was arrested. The parents crying owning it out. What they are here. Pictures in by or who say a boy no and one or one kasa friend no advice no and then they handed him over to the police. And it is nice. It is about time I be near you who so helpful. Keep me and let me keep you. Let me be safe in your hand and you'll be safe in my hand. As I this of late, me be more of introvert. They say as be a dream. Say me Ghana, nya sa na de wo yan. Nya ya bakosam no no. Na go kan obi asem wo china go no akwadwa no asibon. Ai, anya ya bakosam no no. Ani nti no asese yetimi ye ho so hwefo. Ni yetimi ye ho so hwefo. Menua. Ukaya na ukabiri bisa from 20 13. Let's say 2012, there about Bano. I say, highway armed robbery, horrible armed robbery. And I say, I call from Kakra. One will say, Bribi say, you know, not Bribi ye. And I don't want to give so much glory to that because a man is fighting to end it too.
Okay.
Most of these hard guys, you know, baby, they know how to galam say, most of them. And this is what galam say. I say now share a big mupan now show my bra poasitna drugs a kuta one near there. It's a very horrible thing. And inti police for no me bo ma basui they should engage more of technological, you know, devices and so. And then also drive our car quite more. But there are cameras. Yeah, my cameras and then no so. Yeah, my cameras and then no so. Raw banks here, Robbie. What are the surveillance? And you cameras do what thing and then around security cameras are a bit me go very far. A bit me pick it and you. Emiama obi kra na mo na tuo ne ho a ebetimia a signal na obi wo baby monitor ne ade asese yetimi duru pempeso a it is a security is very important. Look, adiba ko America for use o musika bebre wo so nyina security wonim se wo ni wiase a hwi ni ho into the nisika more than 80% ba ko security mu na wabo ne nkrofo ho ban ya de Donald Trump na nsen Pamon Crawford free America near the no. Yeah, you may take offense. Thinking said, and Ranami CNN, Abofrebia Yadi Hungary parents bia or more equa Majabo Frano near the and all that. Yes, you would take offense. Hey, yeah. But you see, he's thinking about America first. He's thinking about how to protect American people. You know, for me, it's a good thing. Our security system. And Adibaku yes, I langard for you. Langard for you. As I see it, me too almost so. And then assassin ko baby o. Assassin da ho bi ntimi mfa nko. Chipon akakuta akaya egwego. Na fe yenya langard for akogusu a wo mo no esini am robbers mpo and na ebru Crawford send Crawford nuama ni ade. If the police cannot protect us, if the security service cannot protect us and take care of our properties, why do we have to engage in? And most of them, they are most of them. Oh, intimate mesre, the IGPIAF. It means that this government is working. Me bona baso na fe ma say can say omo nkoso no omo ma cameras ne no so baby a oh see onipa say we are boni kura na onim say ye ni rewa. Dia wu ye hell and no pono emma wunya some check bi and intino I think we should do more of that na enuame yanhwe look uni onyanko tia as say we ya onyanko no so hwefo no so ye wo so hwefo sa de na me nko me I hold to myself it's one of the things that is AI and Internet of Things and big data development, you know, revolution is bringing into this world. Utumi won so nipa bet na say ohun. Oni ni phone beba nkomo from anopa to enumere. Oni obi ankasa da. Ope aduane a obe order. Oho a we order we tua o. Ne de aduane na besi onipa no so ba ankasa. Odi aduane na besi ono so kon ba bi. We didi awie se car no opa oba boat wa order no atenam oni ne nkasa no okọ no aba. Eni inti amasa abefun fidie ya abe the papa now so it's really giving this privacy thing you know so much attention to extent say ma yentimi ni ye ho ni nkomo okay ye ni nkomo nkasa ye ho mesre Ghana for nyesa na yete nyesa na yedititi and that's not our culture, that's not who we are. We talk among ourselves obi asam ye yasam and ntina yesi a obehu say doma kogwe ye na say adanya obi asam aye wasam momie ni ehun komo look know your people when you any wote no huomo community no mu na adie adwene
commander
na amwa yen
ansa lobe seriously just last week manafo pampese mbodidin between wa to Bole amro attack no bakra that stretch from Bole wa ga Wuchao Junction, Eba Solar Junction, Eba Bole, all the way to Bamboy, sa stretch number of Opa. Then from Solar to Damango, and also Omugumu Opa, Eya Ambrobri. Now, what we don't cook room, a front place north.
Okay.
Now, Batiase, a front place south, and also Ambrobri no Hopa. Once about the police wanted in a question idea. Me kwako na saying once the police wire stops who crossing so now
sure
between Priso Ediba Etibie about 3-4 police checkpoints which is good, but these areas omo form money and fan call
okay
omo form money call so just for be what dam and go ho no the shoe omo form mo nka ho no mo fa yom ti omo fancy na you make sure because that stretch you know
I'm robbery experiences and you.
Yeah.
Very horrible.
Commander. Senegal, I'm saying, who's the most, and
I'm going to go by. And I'm going to see.
Yeah, near Kofa, I'm saying, oh, and he, and I'm going to by. Oh, yeah, near Kofa, I'm saying, from. But when you said me, me shut down blame Akufuado. Sir, one who not dig galam say by.
I don't blame you.
No, hold on. And I've never done that. I like to tell the truth the way it is. And yet, then you shall see. Hold on. And yet, then you shall see two galam say.
No, you are different.
Oh, the can have me. But my problem is that a bedroom nanado sono. I didn't jinsem.
A bedroom nanado sono.
Exactly.
Nah, they know.
Now once one can say first His Excellency Mahama Abresono first Mahama Regine yet your soldier for Kragum one kai and your kwachichi will be mu China Fui and all that and Jenny Frabe. So my point is that Nanado is a very experienced politician, whatever agronom series of demonstrations and all that, you know that and all that, very experienced. Inti nuyama na we hu asa wo ba any kasa no kan asa wo ba no okay any di sisi ye no eno na ama ade no o kan na ne kan ye kana no because see ne breso no he had all the opportunity when him so about first no he declared a no-go area for mining. What kind of
for small scale?
For small scale. Yeah. I mean, for bonechi, and for believe we say, Sadian and Nama Olusu 2020 election and so
a lot of
Obi Jimano. Look, and all that, and the people believe that, and I so believe that too. Oh, my immense, I mean, you know.
Oh, how?
Because when you see the declaration, more than 7 declarations by any other, it never happened in our country. But that's not what we are talking about. The entire ama kalamsi asamne kano na nadu abreso aye pinso ni say he allowed his own people to enter and he protected them.
How?
Or protected womu children.
How?
Menia, adi eti say, what business would the president have going to stand in Kumasi Kase, akonta mining onye kalamsi bia no ye legal money when your sector minister brought a report to you say papa no I lances here the man no interest on ko bubu kwa ye mu won ye illegal mining. Now president na ko jina simpizo aka say onye hwe what do you do? Wo yes sir what shembrante no kutupa enti no matie go lances do do amudi mine within 8 years more than 2,000 plus license and no mutitigu mo nkonko say nsuo ye boy election utie wo mo campaign one of the MPs we refinidin and a galamsey no yantu no nkran. I mean that kind of reasoning yantu galamsey no nkran yantu no bush
for them are more than 2,000
I'm telling you now
mining license.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. And you know obey demonstration kongre mu hona koye na ye galamsey ni ye nyan ne. And you see a president who superintend over those speeches and allow it to go. Many see a kasa one I say Ghana forest and 1 year the best one. You see, these are the things. Chef from Pomboating, professor and a reporter the buy. I mean, so horrible, very horrible. Into and no one some near.
Okay.
And now me no say. So MPP for say, na His Excellency Mahama on Andy Galamsey. I agree. You bet Andy Galamsey. But you see, and we are Argentina for 8 years. want to mean you so 8 months van wie no kura. But again, as I said, we should say na montu a ekono. Ebe wie yansan.
So me to was na so kwa na so one Sam George nyadwen say president is serious obetimi the 1 week and the galam.
I mean that is if you like that is youthful experience talk and I think that he was trying to perhaps say it in a way say bia or use some figure of speech bia na bibi sa na o kasa o ye betimi ewie ne ntam
na uti de etia ma
sorry bia o kasa o kire say betimi asia no ntam but this galam say to end it 1 week
coming from mining
no
yet me end 1 week
no
if the president is
what
serious,
are you talking about? If the president is serious, what are you saying? Who says the president is serious now? Who says the president is not serious now? Who says His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not serious now?
Still, we can't end it.
He's absolutely serious. But you see, you will be the biggest joke. So, bet me, I say the Akalam say, you're saying, especially within the last 8 years, said the agent, you bet me the 1 week. How will you do it? You see, so be kasa. Mama, practical examples.
Okay.
But you see, in somewhere obika, you bet me the 1 week end, you know. Me jidi say or kasa on that platform say bia. You bet me ending in term.
Okay. Voni hold on, ma'am. Now,
you bet me ending in term. I don't say. You bet the 1 week.
Video ending. I don't believe
that. Me personally, as Honorable David.
Okay. Eti ma ona vondi enhwe video na ye ne nkomo be 1 minute be.
Samo hwe ye chia river plan da ho no. Enya small scale miners nsa no dwumani eye MPP mpanyufo. Abusuafo se kwose ya ya hwe ya asoman ebe kakra no ensu mpampo a ye benom ne enya bi nianom.
A few moments later.
How can a 5 months old statutory corporation, Gold Board, be responsible for an age-long galamsey problem?
Oko River Plan is to be.
We could be Prime Minister me
and the Koi
River Plan.
And then what for Subium?
My first say. See, my first subium.
Okay.
The fact is that situation I insist significantly.
Okay. Asamoko honum.
Exactly. Hold on. I insist significantly.
Okay.
As at the time I call hono. The point we're making is at that time, at that period, we had the opportunity to stop it from getting where it has gotten to now. At that time,
okay.
Sesiano, Insiono, Enente.
Okay.
We still have people who are going there. What I say?
Okay.
But the point is, measures are yedia to kwamu say no. Eko ye nimu kakra no. Ebeba ne say, "Mama nkanchiro Insioni bi ani start o." Uko Jomoro. Insio ba bi mu one of the reporters mehu omako Amakofibua constituency in revenue ba ko so at least the stability level is really getting better. Look, River Pra, I am telling you, we will secure that river. We will secure it. Into the can no, and in the year can no. I have some chrono. The fact that Galamsey was there at the time doesn't mean we should allow Galamsey today. Now that we are in government, no, that's not what we're saying.
Honorable Vondi, a member of Parliament, Malaysia, World Chifuati Mokwa constituency in the Central Region. Commander,
I want to put it on record. Say, Jane Mensah. Amboa MP Mayen win the 2020 elections. Moko court. Omo chairman said in Ketia can say. Omo gather omo evidence, you know. The court chachuchika tancheng. And the chachuchika catcher was say. The amukita idea you go court I go di bemo. And na omo kukuri court. Afi ye bisa ni samanwa ye di calculator manwa. Afi chairman and na one chini. So, as a member of parliament, 2-term member of parliament, now what to national television so now we try to say Jimensa and the Boa MPP. Then it's a serious matter. I don't want to hear this from your mouth again. Because more person party for GD a court, no Supreme Court, no, and Indian Boamo. That was the idea of the Supreme Court. And you succeeded in doing that. And then so please never make that argument anywhere, especially when I put you on the set. Say James and the and the demand. It's a totally falsehood. Obenini.
Well, because I want something I don't think I'll be giving the opportunity to explain.
You can't explain.
But if I am giving the opportunity to explain,
you cannot explain.
You will understand why I am saying so. And it is absolute.
Just keep quiet and let me flow. Femodi, you have lied. A member of parliament. So when your sinner is talking, you just keep quiet and let me flow. Number 2. Say, what tro? Say, we suffer yira. We deponechi.
Okay.
Na me kase a shase from Monseno. No, see, there be a kufado aberazuna ye. From the days of Professor Mills, at the point he went to the mining areas, or no more the devastation. Okay, BM so akufado then estopo galamsey mining for some time, small scale mining, including all that. Any 8 year. Ne ene nyamu ye no crocodile John bi no mu ye no. Crocodile John, if you have a sitting president, ene obo jiso edi ma galamsey say ene galamsey edi adwuma ba galamsey ma production of gold akwanim, and for that matter an ounce of gold.
Are you sure?
Please let me talk.
No, but that's
please
not
let me talk. Let me talk.
That is not fair.
Say, an ounce of gold from 2,000 to 3,000. What are you trying to tell the people? You are legitimizing.
I'm correcting him.
Can I talk?
President Mahama says Galamsey Ama
please, let me talk.
Why did you say this?
Please.
No,
when you are talking, can I talk? You can correct me.
You can't allow him.
You can correct me.
This is a very senior person.
Please.
You can't allow him to say all this and just get away with it.
Just keep quiet.
When
let me flow.
President
Please,
Mahama
can you keep quiet and let me talk?
No, that is not fine.
Let me get up and go.
Fair.
Please. Yetiha. Obehu National Security Operatives. Hey, almost uniforms. 2 weeks ago I was here. Nam Forestry Commission officers armed with guns. No matter what Forestry Commission officers bua say ye ma illegal mining and koso e wo kromwa. Ye bisa National Security chief no. Also nim grofo. So who went into that armory and picked the guns out? Wielding these guns all over. Catch a Forestry Commission for to say mamu nya samo aduma. And na kote mapot na kohwe efe say under your watch 8 months we share excavators e bugu temakro anu awu agozi we yembe hyew
I said won't mean case o mobile
me see
say excavators here it take time and sana
please
me o your concession
and ya distribute
o your concession go
me ko nyongo be have
okay
me am fisherman
o we let money o le jama for me
I'm saying that
look
oh, can I talk? Why are you doing this? You are not serious in the fight against Galamsey. Yami can't say police for no omu chichi omu free kwa ibu na ade no na omu gisike free your friends. They move them out. Why we call it arresters? Or see IG before police for no omu kupa jinemu edifa Galamsey no. Yami do abunyina. What is the essence of that? It is because the government knows some Crawford and the Galamsey, so they are behind them to mine illegally.
Can also be say a place for them so that also doing something fishy. Abandoning you into the drum.
Please, Erastus, when it comes to mining, reporting, you can't take Erastus out. He gives you detail of everything that is going on. In fact, it is worse in their time. Kokonyanku of the Central Region, because of Kanobeka wants them. Now me share me social media. Krobi yourself in macro or something. And so now it is at the check. Why are you doing this to yourselves? You can talk about Kufado, but you can't talk about your mama's time. It's an apology. The president is not serious in the fight against Galamsey. That is a joke. I'm telling you that is a joke.
After said 9 months,
no catch original ningo pram. And another catch and say, "What's sorry? I will see Galamsey. Tell us what you want to do." Or see a no president. Now President Kufado and Yatuaba and Yamano, some fighting Galamsey. Today, he's the commander-in-chief of this country. Under Article 256 of the Constitution, every mineral resources underneath the soil, in the rivers, in the sea, it is President Kufado, President Mahama, who has been trusted on behalf of the people. And you have no excuse. Diakosono, ya di subono, ya di shene onyehwia enye under his watch galamsey is worse than ever before and the omo kono de the job in oye I'm telling you no also they want to declare state of emergency ebra na wo position
that should be the last resort.
I'm telling you if they want to stop galamsey today they can stop it because from all you need to do ask everybody to stop the money whether small scale or everybody stop. Everybody stop. Then you take stock.
Bida. What was the outcome?
Bida. Insoni ni anante.
Ejene insoni
nsa. Insoni ni anante.
Tene insoni nsa se.
Me say insoni ni anante ana.
Tene insoni nsa se.
Emena ye kase galamsey kono enyo bakofo kono. Ene no maka kire. Sami yefi o say yen bo amu ye galamsey bo amu ye galamsey. Ene wu su say 8 months old government yen bo ye galamsey. What I'm saying say and I said here ask everybody to stop. 2 take stock of all those mining in these areas. 3, let's reclaim all the lands and start replanting afforestation. Then you'll be able to assess and show this and this economy. Then we can manage these things. And the baby you do it Vondi, meaning Krato Mao. Catch His Excellency said, a kuno kuvo galamsey no, me say, Munyeshu. Because the methodology that you were using, we used it. We have speedboats, we have water guards. We had drones. Your machines are yelling yam. I didn't hear you free in so yeah. As for the police, woman goes on so. It's the same methodology I use.
So maybe this time by buying so or secretary or stationing military officers in most of our forest.
Well, you don't need to tell me. Go and do it. He is the commander in chief. Why do you come and tell me this? Abraham, when I was a regional minister, let me share this with you. Mikododwa, regional house of chiefs.
Okay.
And I'm a coach here, my info. Now, before I know meeting the chassis, the registrar, I catch him saying, Honorable, when said Dodowa Forest no call. Mr. Akose say, this is a proverbial forester. Primary school, we talk about the history of the Dodowa Forest and the Katamanso Forest. And the minimum security team, the Nantia from the Gorgesburg Hall, and Nanti form, me say, Unam Kwanu of Vondi, and Yakasi, but when you enter, all the forest is gone. Charlie, that day I wept. Oh, go for your boss was a most former Adom. So when I met the House of Chiefs, President, no woman, I say, me what say, Miss Sero, Dodo ko ete, Dodo ko a call. He's charging me and the regional security to redeem the forest. What did I do? A one me a statement. Me can't say Obia or so kita as document I gave 1 month. And I will come back to this forest. There was a big call. Regional security team, transit to assess the situation. And transit. We gave ourselves 1 month. And I think I'll be a week after. Yeah, Bano. The Mini Forestry Commission. In Kategodu in Omaye. And we had Fufro. And because nobody came out to own up, we put down all the structures on the ground. That is leadership. We pull it down and declare that place a security zone to make sure that we will come and revive. And then in my court, I'm ready. I did that in my capacity as a regional minister and on behalf of the Regional Security Council. And this also would declare a whole as security zones are fantastic. But you don't need to move because you are seeing the gravity and the destruction of the ecology and the water worse than before. You don't need to tell me because you have the security in your hands. Go there.
Okay.
Right in his backyard, there's galamsey going there. So what is these things that you are trying to tell us as if you are doing so much? Fine. You can be doing your best, but we are not seeing the best.
Okay.
Because the level of galamsey destruction, and then so that, and then many are saying, oh no, but you don't know whether all those crops that we are eating have been contaminated with all these cyanides, any mercuries, any whatever you call it. What I say? And the Beyakono, Minia, we will not politicize it. Hey. We will not politicize it. But until you accept the truth, say you over politicize the galamsey fight, and you wanted us to help you in fighting galamsey, fair enough. But President Mama for me talks much and that's little.
Daniel Nikwati Tatas Global, a former Greater Accra Regional Minister, former Tema East MP. Mekaka say endpoint homeopathy. Say was that free prostate scanning and free female fertility scanning. Shoshomo. Ewo Accra Spintex on a shell signboard no. Ena edi enemy. Kumasi our chronom abua here. Ya obey Angel Educational Complex. Takrade our Anaji Estate Tema Community 22. Techman our Hansa. Esiam our Inzima a patch of frame 0244 867 068 0244 867 068 and 0274 234 321 0274 234 321. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, the end to chronic disease. It was starting a free prostate scanning. No, a patchoko, neko check so dear, said that it. Badwam ni ya ba esi e. Asa mo nyina kwa ba biem etimika che da bia meka se wo adwuma na ombeso adwuma fo be pie we si me ko breakfast we si me ko breakfast a ene queen bees enkasa esi e. No mo serve adwuma fo breakfast bi a pe bia oro bia ankyere ne ade e be chi a opesu odi na on listening nyina afanto no ade e be chi dodo na mo pe no queen bees catering and decoration services edni nya abebro tebini to show a package ni kama fe omo number da screen so from us see na osio me wo adwuma e wo ha
omva fufu ngam fufu na ben kwa
omo class finance breakfast
na na ye kokko ko njia ye breakfast no fufu yi
omo nya classify no as breakfast
uka mo ni njia ye breakfast no fufu ni
omo nya classify no as breakfast
and this ye breakfast nti
Ofanka. Fufu. Banku kanofia no moto
kache mo.
Ejere queen bees so
zempa. No, o se otimo se biare na ede.
Oh, come on.
Chomo fa.
Mama me be it's fine. But for fufu nkan any aponching kwan. Come on. Bunu.
I know power fire sir.
Every do for na go
but this time I am
me know you.
Patch for queen bees 0244 362 256 0244 362-256 na onyoso na was several one day few many years
me pachao
okay
me think here aka say me no I'm a realist me mpa asem a ye kan ye twa ntro wom me ye nipa de waho de enti a ma galamsey na be sha akofo adokon no aye ja oja ye hwe han ma ne nkrofo eko akotugu galamsey ni mu ye no mo eno ni problem a we nya eni no ya be 8 months ni Ghana bi ni bi eni me say ade a ye di 8 years ha say no untumi mfa 8 months siesie ni ma na nye yie sa aho na uhwa na mo a ye tu a
sa se me o se ye kana men sia itimpachu emre se ne mfama mo to deal with galamsey
medase anamo aye tuo no ene na wo behwe hunu se ebeye yi ana enye woni
enye honko and na na kufa nyina ena the time shot emre se na mo aye de etumi ahye mo zam ye mfama mo to be able to deal with
Dramani Mahama
the enti o say ye 2 years
his excellency 4 years Dramani Mahama I was 4 years mandate me boa but the moment at least to the middle of his tenure.
It will here 2 years.
In the middle of his tenure, you will see significant changes.
2 years.
Me can't say on here 2 years or the be endi galamsey. Me see within that period, we will significant changes.
Significant.
Hold on.
We want to deal with galamsey.
And we will deal with it. I'm saying that we will deal with it. And we are dealing with it.
2 years.
And for you to be able to assess him. Give him an ample at least half.
It's 2 years.
Man, be a 2 years to his administration.
It's 2 years.
No significant changes.
But the other day was difficult for you to accept. See, 2 years. Na kana for you to see.
And that's exactly what I'm saying, sir.
2 years.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
At least 2 years.
Okay.
Now for ye I'm say home command.
Okay.
Ye didn't hear. Listen.
Okay.
And now me know say we are declaring all the water bodies a no-go area. Ye declare keke o. Ye di asrafo ekogu nsuo ni nyina so permanently obi eni ho a odi sa dredging machine be kwa kwehye nsuo no mu na wako free. We are declaring all the forest reserves a no-go area. Ni ye di asrafo kogu ho obi eni ho obetimi akọ forest no mu akọtu galamsey na afetie asem yi maka kan na medanyame asese His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any amakofibo a miami bra o matu ho anamo. Look, machine be your friend Shamfan. That sa engine na ye di bo structure no platform no do the dredging you know.
Okay.
Banned the Shamfan from coming to Ghana. Every China na deba.
Okay.
Na mom sa wo janye de begu o man yi mu. Na wo kasa ma mo mfa nye de ye de ye no a ebe ye den. Eni ani se sia no se ye mfa maybe o. And now me no kasa when him said there's a new directive for yamfa excavator ama o man mu keke. I just say who could permit na dia wo de be ye ne ade nya ye hu. But you see before you be masa directives no na bi gu nso so e back dada. E ba ye de ni nyina akogu ba bi a soldier for ohwe so. And ye control the movement of excavator or kromu. Look, I am saying to you, let me mention it again.
Okay.
In Tutuya, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Miami Brapeni Amakofibua, Land and Natural Resource Minister, Yediagwa Akwemuno. Within the next 2 years, we will see a very significant change in this Galamsey fight. Nasi yetinawani yedi hun komwa, yebe hun se yedi nkomwa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I will pepa. Onkoshe ne nkrofo bi echi enka nkire omu se womunkotu ne nya nchira Galamsey no we will end it. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the processes that we're using to end the Galamsey will work, and it is working. And then me no ka say nsuo ni bi eni atete nkakra na nsuo no ne nyina ni bete. Look, mamen Ghana for mo amutu Galamsey no mo amu say ye nsuo no Misramo, ene uko bebia ye Galamsey ya menia woni me say body mankan kontombre banchi aye tu obebia ye Galamsey no woni me say mercury ni cyanide wo sa mercury na kwa wuye mu a
ye wudro
ewudro a wonum a wo bewu eno ne ye die gu ye yem kakra adan abrante bi se mahu ade e frɛ na gudie na wanya pani bi akɔhye n'echi no akɔhye ho no wɔsɛn nsuo no wɔsɛn yɛnsase no wɔhwie saa mercury no egum ɛna yɛse brabagye nkrata ne yɛmo a na yɛ agudie no tuo no kwan papa so yɛnka sɛ agudie na ɛhyɛ fam no nyɛ Ghanafoɔ dia nanso wontu no kwan bɔ ne so ɛmfa owuo ɛmbɛhyɛ ɔman no kɔn bra ne yɛmboa na tu no yie sɛ wo se wo mpɛ now party kwakwa ahwe one hwe de ba kire wo
merase
commander
it's maybe 2 years might be a bit fair now.
You don't need 2 years.
You don't need 2 years.
I totally disagree.
You had 8 years, you couldn't do anything.
Why?
Now you are saying you had 2 years.
Bondi. Stop that.
8 years.
I said stop that.
But that is the point.
Mama, the Excellency was a vice president under Professor Mills. You were doing Galamsey. What did you do?
Abba.
Unfortunately, when you became the acting president, for 6 months, Galamsey was there. Galamsey didn't start from Akufo-Addo.
8 years.
2 years.
Can you please keep quiet and let me flow? If you don't want to talk, just get up and go. Galamsey never started under Akufo-Addo. Under Professor Mills, Galamsey was there. But when President Mama was the vice president.
But 2 years.
Please, let me talk. Don't ask me question. Let me flow.
Minister,
keep quiet and let me talk. We are
opposition kasa enya easy kasa opposition
opposition Madaroma Galamsey and Shasie under Professor President
Akufo-Addo
under Professor Mills, may you so rest in peace, when President Mahama was the vice president, he was there. What did he do for that period? 8 years later on the year Messinia Parliament, Inusa Fuseni. He was the Lands and Natural Resources. What do you mean, Swano? What do you say? And then, what did NDC for under President Akufo-Addo Brezo, as Sarah for Soja for a bar, Omugane. In their time, they had the boldness and confidence. NDC chairman, on the bridge would you radunkwa on the fina to me stop put soldier catch and one man to be say ombra who are one amudadano who called dunkwa nsuonum na ye ginam na ye tu fifi buafo and last week Monday na mo adum FM ofritakwa obetwom e dia bankrai or do event is a bridge no so dunkwa e na o hwe de yakos president mama na wada amakofuri na wo hiva. Why would like pretending as if bibi akoso sa enso bia ni ntie o agoje enso bia ni ntie na me serameka atwefo asofo na mo use some puppets edi year campaign edi tia MPP aban ene asofo no won me pese mabodi agoje is so much asofo gogbe me pese mabodi but you know why they are disappointed in President Mahama because the kind of assurance that he gave them nyamo kache on so ba beku die tia galamse no asafo no nyanka mo na du because omuntu mi kasa it is only the Cali Bishop Conference omuntu mi kasa boldly e kache no e wonani all of them they are mute, they are not talking because he has disappointed them and the amoya no crocodile John. It is your own party people who are doing the galamse, who have massive money from galamse, and now kache say banji nyina kom kondemne kom. This is what is happening. So let us stop the pretense as if you are doing that, you are doing much. Go round. If you want to declare it today. And declare today.
All the places
today. Or say like,
at least 2 years.
You don't 2 years. You don't need 2 years to stop galamsey. Akosi, you don't need 2 years to stop galamsey. When the chief, the president of the regional house of chiefs, catch them and say, look, minister, quiet no call. Today, how did you talk about Badwam Forest? And my chiefs are so happy on that decision I took there. Together with the Regional Security Council. I was on this to make sure say yes, send this singular and the team before. Who can broach ya? Who will call you? Oh, come on. I didn't hear you do your soa. You're doing this war. Say you see galamsia. Let's stop it. Put if anything weight on it. Ni nyina one yen claim assassin said nyina ye wi yen dua nua nyina e wo so bio then we can be able to police President Mama and Article 256 all natural resources in this country underneath the earth in the rivers in the sea is entrusted in your hands and you have the people of this country. So if you want to declare as a security zone, I will support it, but please you are doing little and talking more.
German for messages here about we say considering the NDC's assertion that Galamsey has taken over the country and their call for Nanado to declare a state of emergency. What prevents President Mahama from declaring a state of emergency on Galamsey now that he is in power? Furthermore, why has President Mahama remained silent on the issue of LGBTQ since assuming power? Ghanaians are eager to know. Kind regards to Dr. Brian Echampong, Sami Wachi, Edward Free, Asamaka say, and or they buy. So this one to say, Sakwasi, tell Honorable Fondi that in a Sierra KTS campaign to become the NDC chairman, he told NDC delegates that they did not have any evidence going to court over the 2020 elections, and that accounted for his poor performance in the docket at the Supreme Court. He should stop blaming the Electoral Commission. Okay. Let me pick these few ones also. Yeah. So this one too says, President Mahama has scammed we Ghanaians. When he was in opposition, he made so much noise about Akufo-Addo to declare state of emergency. Now you are the president. Do it for us now. KK, Edward Fikasua, and Ode Ebaye. We say, please help me to wish Nana Ekuya a free year in Kumasi Meduma Ghana Bar. Happy birthday. Wishing you happiness, long life, and more blessings from fantastic Wilberforce. And Ode Ebaye. Yeah, wako vondi se.
Wako fa Galamsey good board at Yaba. Galamsey good. No mutodiko. You are legitimizing Galamsey. You see, I'm good no mutono. Galamsey good. Uni evidence. Me need evidence. Uni evidence. Good be no muto. Uni evidence. Me see Galamsey no good. No evidence. Me say no noto. One de Galamsey. Galamsey good. Ni bi noto. One de Galamsey good. Uma yenge yehu. mo enwe yan techi wote
ma menna Ghana for ase na munya jide wa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mu Galamsey no mesere mo ayade a eba be ku o man kra
yaku yewie
mu ma ye nyina
etu ye egbe wetan
ye njai na yenye mine na aye papa na beba bebo o man meda mase na me hira mu nyina
ya me ka hoso gracias
ona yengo ade asey
me di akwesisia
ejuri
o chine da ofro ba because Saturday ye nyina ye hia ewo Bukom Arena dame competition no start say I catch say Greater Accra region zone no Volta region, Greater Accra, Eastern and part of Central region and forming that Greater Accra zone. It will within this enclave or qualify so between compete be. Uju hundi said damn unim topa. And they say American National Sports Authority games no. It yenyam free Ghana ekwa monone ekoto dame in the name of Ghana. Enya basbody e de befi. It yenka ne tena kwankwa anwa say etu ya enya hwea and now to a ubenye bibi efremu. Especially with this competition here by ubenye bibi dwetri e de asate abrabo. So the found gym Saturday nyina hia Bukom Arena 8 am pepepe na yehiem won sanso na ABC games so aba 3 letters from A to Z. Selected 3 letters. Selected 3 letters for ABC games no. To bet me afa ABC ana XYZ. Say na apa select ba akufra what diska. Bienu ba what diska. Bien sanso ebo a na say wo demu ansa. Wo na wo kwa ansa. Ti me fa nya akudi. Utale star 262 hash. Selected 5 p.m. 5 p.m. there no. Selected 5 p.m. Hona Adom TV. The live draw no eshe. Obo star 262 hash. No selected 5 p.m. The draw no do ya na draw na ocha. Metum sa there for Saturday dame no.
Obake. Abuzi. Yes. Obake.
It is very Obake. So the what
I was here market here kasa.
And one here market. Etinyame ya Saturday. Ye as part of the marketing. Ye marketing bi so e wo ho.
Na wo fanka ho.
And
go do wa akwa ba.
Miniji
eti udru Bukoma
akwa ba no ka na wie. Obake.
Eti du Bukoma na bo se Obake.
Nye Obake.
Everybody so me say afro.
Mate.
Say nyina mbra. Say dame no first na mpanifo ntu kwa anyu ase keke.
Me ba work no na wan baby. Work no wan baby.
Obake.
Enti
wale agmene maba
sanoba
yanko ya motra. Nso ju we be say dia. Because you can do ya crown.